You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
After months of screen time and no play dates, the Children's Discovery Museum is open for Purple Play Days of Summer. It's time to rediscover the wonder. Climb on the fire engine, splash around in the waterworks, blow bubbles, and scale the tree climber in Bill's backyard. Oodles of hands-on arts and culture, STEM, health, and nature-themed exhibits await your family. The Giant Purple Museum is open every day, Wednesday through Sunday. Reservations are required at cdm.org. That's cdm.org. जब हमारे परिवार के बुजुर्गों की सेहत और देखभाल की बात होती है तो घर पर इन होम केयर वाला ऑप्शन सबसे बढ़िया है। ऑनलॉक का पेस प्रोग्राम एक ऐसा कन्वीनियंट एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड ऑप्शन है जिसके जरिए हमारे बुजुर्ग घर पर हमारे साथ रहकर यही देखभाल और सेवा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। अब चाहे वो घर पर रहे या ऑनलॉक वाले पेस सेंटर में आए, उनको वही डेडिकेटेड एंड प्रोफेशनल केयर मिलेगी। ऑनलॉक ने बुजुर्गों की सेहत को अपना प्रायोरिटी बना लिया है। और जानने के लिए 1855-308-0195 पे कॉल करें। That's 1855-308-0195। Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. नमस्कार
नमस्ते
नमस्कार
वरकम
खुशामदीद
सलाम अलैकुम
बच्चे काल
मीगंद्री वंदनम
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
गणेंद्र
माल भाई बदो को बोल दे यार मदद
मतलब बोलते सारे फीजी मतलब बोल के नीसा बोला मरजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं से फालतू बाबा
and of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए को ड्राइव टाइम शो जिसका मी की टोटली मस्तानी बंद जाना Bam 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 bam.
आज का थी
बम
I told you फालतूनी is a big fan of Karan Johar तो आज का शो भी उसके हिसाब से ही है आज का शो
क्या रे नहीं रे
चल के जी was not the production also
was it looks like Yashraj, right?
Fatalini, please. Now, first of all, tell us what today's theme is all about. Today's theme is all about what?
घर संसार
घर संसार
घर परिवार घर संसार
Yes.
घरेलू गुरुवार
Yes.
जो भी हो जो भी कह लो आप बस आज डोमेस्टिकेटेड शो है डोमेस्टिक शो है
And domestic show but Jan of course अगर आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना तो कॉल कर सकते हैं on 4089122479 Well Bajan I'll tell you one thing आज का शो पे जो भी आज आज कॉल करेंगे ना आपसे एक ही सवाल रहेगा
हाँ
आपके लिए आपके लाइफ में फैमिली का क्या महत्व है
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ
What is the importance of family?
बोले तो
How do you rate the value of family in your value system?
okay
People will definitely call it, but yes, highest always. I don't know if that's true also. Well, the point is because I'll tell you what, our Indian cinema has grilled us about family concepts and everything.
Huh.
Yeah, we are a very family-oriented show ourselves, right? Faltoni?
right
Yeah, of course, but then at least me, Faltoni, of course.
हमारा फैमिली कंसर्न है क्योंकि हमारा कंसर्न आपकी फैमिली के लिए
नहीं हमारा फैमिली कंसर्न इसलिए है कि जब भी हमारा शो सुनते हैं सब लोग कंसर्न हो जाते हैं
और हम लोग आपको फैमिली मानते हैं
हम आपको फैमिली मानते हैं ना आपकी फैमिली कंसर्न हो जाती है
और क्योंकि
हम आपकी फैमिली मानते हैं आपकी फैमिली आपसे कंसर्न हो जाती है That's why we call it a family concern show.
That's true actually.
Yeah, but actually, if you look at it, Faltoni, our Indian cinema have given us movies which are the Lone Ranger movies, right? And also the Lone Couple movies. But they also have given us family movies.
Wow.
No, you can't just, no, Badhujan, sorry. You can't just say, the only person who's given us family movies is Suraj Barjatia. No, I don't think so.
No,
I don't think so at all. Even Sholay for the matter was a family movie.
Yeah, like सूरज बाज आते हैं प्रेम रतन धन पायो मैं नहीं प्रेम रतन धन पायो वो फैब घरेलू गान नहीं है
वो घरेलू गाना है
नहीं
बिकॉज घर पे नाचती है वो.
तो?
I said शोले also the घरेलू show.
Hey, how is
That's
it
what I
घरेलू,
said,
man?
yeah. It is particular. To me, Sholay is everything, Manjan. I'm sorry. Salman Khan Saab, I'm a big fan of Salim Bhai and Javed Saab, so because that time they wrote it. I think it's a family show also, by the way. Family movie. अगर आपको इसके ऊपर चैलेंज करना तो यहाँ पे कॉल करके चैलेंज कीजिएगा. Don't just tell me out of the blue. Right now, Manjan, let me tell you everybody out there on Facebook. Namaskar, welcome. Vibha जी और prompt आ जाती है. Vibha जी, very good. Welcome, see you. And then yes, oh hello बोला है तेरे को, मेरे को lovely बोला है. Very good. Thank you so much, Vibha जी. And आज का family show आप सभी लोग
सोच ले आलतू बाबा तो अपने लिए जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना चाहता है ले ले. आई एम इन अ जेनरस मूड.
अरे वेरी गुड फाल्तू ने अच्छा हुआ बिकॉज सच्चाई को आज एम्ब्रेस करिए तू. वेरी गुड, दैट्स नाइस. बलजन देखो व्हेन पीपल आर जनरस एंड हैप्पी दे जनरली एक्सेप्ट ऑल ट्रूथ एंड हैप्पीनेस.
It's a family concern.
What's the family concern?
So I was just reading our status update.
Your status update, of course, Faltu. That's why I
Yeah.
say it's a family concern.
हाँ.
And of course, बजन अभी के आपको बोल दे कि आज हम लोग ऐसे ही शोज के बारे में बात करने वाले, ऐसे मूवीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. हाँ, हमें तो ऑफ कोर्स काफी सारे दिनों से ऐसे टॉपिक आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे शो पे कसम से आई विल टेल यू बजन आई वाज वेरी डिस्टर्ब्ड बिकॉज आई एम अ वेरी फैमिली गाय, you know. And ये फाल्तू is of course A certified. Whenever you listen to our shows, you go, you go that way, and everything she sees that she wants to actually respond to, she goes that way. That's why she's A certified, right? But I will tell you, Barjan, आज का शो पे आज जो भी फिल्म्स हम लेके आने वाले हैं आपके पास, जो भी गाने लेके आने हैं, most of them actually are pretty much something which you would love to enjoy with the family. And let me put it this way, let's not go that way. Let's not go that particular portion of where you're going to watch a movie with your family. The movie should be about a family. How about the Faltoni?
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
It should not be family oriented. The movie should be about a family only. Right?
Wow.
Is that a good way, Faltoni?
The movie should be fully about the family. Arey.
But the movie should be on a family, not an individual from a family. Because most of the movies, majority of the movies in Indian cinema are they talk about the bastards of society. Right? Who are totally ostracized from society, who are different, who are like rebel. Yeah. But very few movies actually talk about
orphans who don't have.
Yes, orphans, that kind of stuff. But we're talking about today movies actually are family movies. Why do I say Sholay is a family movie, Faltoni? Do you know?
Because it is about saving Thakur's family.
It's about Thakur's family. Yes.
Correct. The whole movie is about Thakur's family.
Families and his family values. he welcomed them into his family, no? Hey, father, you told different level.
ये मालूम है तू जबरदस्ती शोले को घुसेड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
जबरदस्ती नहीं, आप देखो, आप शोले को मेरी नजर से देखिएगा.
होली की दिन खिल जाते हैं, वो गाना लगाना है तेरे को.
I'll tell you, father, I'll tell you, the movie is totally a family movie.
Whatever.
It's not a family oriented movie. Orientation निकाल देते हैं, we don't care about orientation. We don't care orientation at all. Whether you actually you swing that way, this way, you don't care also, by the way.
क्या?
You're only talking
उसका
about.
क्या connection है इससे?
I'm talking, it's a family show, yaar. Not a family movie, right? I think Sholay is a family movie. You know why? One, of course, talk about a dysfunctional family.
Okay.
Right? And everywhere, if you look at it, the whole Sholay movie, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different family situations have been shown.
Hey, now we're not talking about Sholay Alto Baba. Why six?
No. I'm not. I'm just talking about the fact that why I think Sholay is a family movie. You actually give a surprised look to your face, right? Sholay, Sholay is a family movie also. I'll tell you why.
Okay.
If you want to know about it, you're going to give me a call here. I'll tell you why. Right? But abhi ke liye, we're not talking about that thing because.
If you don't want to know, also it's okay. Banjan, please call. 9122479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा. ये पता रहे हर एक चीज में ये शोले का क्यों लेके आता है. पता रहे आपने आपका कोई अमिताभ बच्चन वाला हैंगअप है इसको.
अमिताभ बच्चन वाला हैंगअप नहीं है फालतू नहीं. Look at Amitabh Bachchan also, right? See the boys, the both of them, right? The hero you are talking about. I'm not talking about.
Toy. Ready. I'm ready with the Tanpura.
What? Yeah.
Air Tanpura.
It's not called Tanpura. It's called Tanpura.
I'm playing the Air Tanpura.
Okay,
ready
now,
with your ultimate.
can you please stop it? Let's move on further. Okay, no, Barjan, we're not going to use the word oriented. Oriented is something which is towards that particular thing. But we're talking about family movies.
Family movies.
Movies which actually showcase family and maybe the functionality or the dysfunctionality of it also. It doesn't matter. Right?
Perfecto.
But that's perfect, not perfect. See, that's what they showed. Right? They showed
Oh,
that
yes.
nothing is perfect.
Yes,
So
correct.
they actually, if you look at the movies of Indian cinema, they've given us movies, good movies, which actually are also very popular, by the way.
Huh.
Right? And if you're wondering, like, oh my God, really? Can't think of anything other than the one which came in 90s and 80s. Yes, that also is there. Salman Khan movie is there. Salman Khan Madrishi movie, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. That also is a family movie, right? Like that, there are many movies. Now, I also would argue to the level, like, one of the biggest movie which actually is, of where Karan Johar made a cameo. That was a family movie.
He made a cameo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That way, if you look at it, even Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
That is the movie I'm talking about, Faltani.
Huh? He did a cameo in that? I thought he did a cameo in Pardes.
You didn't know he made a cameo. He didn't do a cameo in Pardesh. He made a cameo in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Oh.
He tried his luck in that and it became a success. That's why he got so much of courage to do a movie with Bombay Velvet.
Acha.
Which is a big mistake for him, right? Very dear Bajan. So that is a movie. I'm talking about. Okay, let's ask our bandhus.
Huh.
What is the family situation or messaging they're trying to send in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge? How about that?
What is the family message they are sending in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge?
Let's not say messaging also. How do you identify the family in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge? Is it realistic family or a filmy family?
Is it realistic or is it too filmy? Then Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Good. Do you think?
आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. आज है घर संसार गुरुवार. Right here on the Pam Pam Show.
Hello,
जा
Mariska.
आलतू जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Hello, Pam Pam.
Welcome to our घर संसार गुरुवार. Who's this? विभाजी कैसे हैं आप?
कैसे है विभाजी?
Wow. Very, very good. How are you guys?
We also very
Masta.
good.
Good.
We are very good, but Faltoni is in a very bad mood today.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why man?
No. I'm getting the opposite impression.
You get the opposite impression. I'm in a bad mood.
Yeah.
No. both are in a good mood.
You said opposite impression. Opposite
Yeah,
would be.
today we decided we're going
Opposite impression of you saying Faltu Rani is in a bad.
Okay, doesn't matter. Now tell you one thing. This particular topic today is Ghar Sansar Guruvar. Do you really think? Do you actually watch family movies?
Yeah.
Of course.
अच्छा आपको पसंद आता है फैमिली वाले मूवीज?
Generally, I watch everything. But yes, of course, family movies are always fun because you're sitting and watching, with your kid or your kids, and you're, you sit and watch as a family, right? Which could be your parents, your siblings. So yes.
Okay, so let me ask you now. If I ask, can you tell me one movie in the entire time you have watched movies, right? Whenever you started watching movies to right now, which you think is a total family movie, not a family-oriented movie, no orientations, a family movie about a family. कुछ याद आ रहा है आपको?
Okay, there's one movie. As soon as I heard आज का topic, the one movie I could think of was that movie with Saif Ali Khan and Rani Mukherjee, Tara Rampam. That's a family movie.
And actually she's right, Faltoni?
Correct.
I think
yeah.
you started the song
I
with that.
started with that only, no? Bam, ba, 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 bam, ba, 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 bam.
That's actually has mother, father, and
Two
children.
kids.
Right?
Yeah.
Are their own kids or adopted
Their own
kids?
kids, right? Their own kids, and they go through a hard time or something, right? I forgot
yeah,
I've not.
yeah.
Have I seen the movie? I
You
don't know.
might
if I've
have.
seen-
You've seen all the movies, no? Saif Ali Khan.
Yeah, I caught all these movies.
You caught all the movies. Otherwise
Yeah.
they're running away, is it?
हाँ, तो आपको वो फैमिली मूवी क्यों लगती है?
Good question.
I think the good thing about that movie was that they actually focused on every single character. It's not that they were just focused on a mom and dad and बच्चों का कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा था. No, they actually showed how the kids, when the parents lost their money, how the kids even struggled in school, and they didn't have enough money to buy lunch and stuff like that. So I think it was a very well made movie as far as portraying the drama that was going on in every character's life, and not just जो generally होता है जहाँ पे सिर्फ adults पे focus करते हैं और बच्चों पे focus नहीं करते. Another movie I think that
No, only one movie.
if I may, is also, I think, Masoom also. वो जो पुरानी Masoom थी with
Okay, if you were to pick,
Nasruddin Shah.
if you were to pick only one movie,
I will pick Tara Rampam because
There you
that
go.
I think.
very good.
Yeah.
So I agree with you. Tararam actually is a nice family movie, Faltwani. It's about a family. And that's what actually is important. We don't want to have emphasis on the hero or the heroine or the kids. It should be on the entire family all done. I think even Masoom falls in the category, but I will definitely take your entry for Tararampam, okay?
Sure. sounds good.
Wonderful.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. And एक सवाल किया था तुमने.
क्या किया था मैंने?
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, right?
हाँ.
Do you think that that's a family movie? A. B is if that movie is a family movie, do you think that is realistic or is it filmy?
Very good, Faltwani.
Okay. So the answer to your first question, do I think it's a family movie? No, I don't think so.
Why?
And it's too focused on the love story between the boy and the girl. I mean, yes, they have they've done some justice to the other characters in the movie, but again, much more focus on the hero and the heroine and less on the other people.
Oh.
And the second part of the question, what is it again?
कि वो realistic है कि cinematic है?
I think it's more cinematic.
What?
Because
You're telling me-
when these guys go to the village in Punjab and that guy, what's his name, Parmeet Sethi's role,
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I think that was too much. And even the father and how
हाँ,
No,
वो
seriously.
थोड़ा बहुत मसाला चलता है. I mean,
I tell you one thing. Haven't you seen in railways? Have you been to India, by the way?
of course,
रेलवे स्टेशन पे कितने सारे
I've
बाप
been to Punjab also,
सुनो यार
many times.
नहीं विभाजी सुनो रेलवे स्टेशन कब जाओगे ना देखो कितने सारे बाप अपनी बेटियों को बोल रही है जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी
Exactly.
What?
Exactly. I've
That
never
scene-
seen that
that
happen, not
scene-
even once.
What?
क्या?
Which part of the real?
आपको आपके पापा ने बोला नहीं, आपके पापा ने नहीं बोला जा
जा
विभा
विभा,
जी ले
जी
अपनी
ले
जिंदगी.
ना मेरी तो arranged marriage हुई थी ना, तो
हाँ
सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता.
यहाँ पे उल्टा था
दोनों love
पकड़ी
story.
यहाँ पे था ये ले विभा तेरी जिंदगी जी ले
हाँ, he was like, you are you, but this is it happened.
very good all right so we'll take it as that
So she said
Faltwani-
cinematic and she said it's not a family movie.
so
तो
Faltwani
क्या तेरा whole premise गया उस movie का?
मेरा नहीं बाकी सब लोग सोच लो विभा ने बोला कि दिलवाले दुल्हनिया is not a family movie I didn't say that
Yeah,
okay?
I'm interested to hear what other people have to say.
No, now it's gone. It's not going to be in a category of family movies in our category at least.
No.
I'm moving it out into
नहीं,
fiction.
पर हो सकता है कि कोई और
But I think it's a family
बोले कि
movie.
नहीं, I don't agree.
I think it's a family movie. I'll tell you why. And I have a very big family
Okay,
value that
okay.
comes in there.
Aw, what's one?
Yeah, in this particular movie, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le
Feeding
Jayenge.
kabutars, right?
नहीं रे, अबे
हाँ.
फैमिली वैल्यू बोले तो इसको all that he remembers is that cowbell and the कबूतर. That's all. I don't know what is with you and your memory. क्या देखता है पिक्चरों में पता नहीं. तो उसमें क्या है? उसमें very clear family value है. It is a family movie because the whole thing is centered around how he wins. It is not just about winning the girl over. It's about winning the family over. Okay.
So sweet.
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. That is why he comes all the way to following her, and then tries to win over the dad, and
Very good.
still doesn't respects the family value that.
And he walks away.
And he walks away. He walks away as a gentleman because the family has decided that her happiness is in pursuing whatever,
Yes.
right? That
and then of course the girl had to plead on her knees and go say, Pauji, mujhe bachao, Pauji. She sounded like a permanent dog over there.
Wait, guys, wait.
हाँ.
Now,
No.
Wait,
but
wait,
then, yes.
Wait. And the
Wait,
family
wait,
value,
Vibha,
family
yeah.
value ये है.
हाँ.
There are a few family values established, right? That what's his name?
Amrish
Amrish Puri.
Puri,
Amrish Puri's character
हाँ.
is so strong. I mean, in terms of he's so grounded in his Indian family values
so
that he
strict.
wants to come to the motherland and get her married to in the motherland.
Desi Munda.
And Desi Munda and all
Yeah.
that stuff. That is one big value. And ये value अच्छा है कि नहीं है I don't know, but people do follow.
Yeah, hey,
You know,
value to
and
value
even
है.
though he's been living overseas. Okay, that's one.
Yeah.
The second family value that's instilled in her is that she clearly doesn't go against her dad's wishes.
Correct,
I mean,
correct.
it is like I don't go against my parents' wishes.
I totally suspect the Fatwani.
And even at the cost of my my love, but at the end of the day, she speaks up and she shows her. So I still think that that's about family. The movie
I
is
agree.
about family.
I
value.
totally agree with you. No, Vibhaji, one more thing. I'll throw a curveball.
के मुंह से सुन के
हाँ.
it's kind of like my story, except there was no lover, you know.
No.
It's like the same thing.
In your case, it
my
might have been a
parents
cuckoo clock at the
living
finish.
outside India,
Hello.
and they're like, Hanji.
Once again, in your case, maybe in a broken cuckoo clock. But that's okay.
क्या कुकू क्लॉक का क्या कनेक्शन है?
इनको मालूम है क्या बात है?
Oh yeah, कुकू क्लॉक.
But सुनो. One more family value of the particular movie. I totally appreciate that.
हाँ.
You know, इसमें ना काजोल जो है ना, घर पे मिनी स्कर्ट पहन के बारिश भी नाचेगी, लेकिन बाहर चुड़ला कुर्ता पहन के आएगी. फैमिली वैल्यू फातवानी, सो स्वीट. फुल एंकल तक स्कर्ट पहनेगी, लेकिन घर पे मिनी स्कर्ट पहन के
घर पे कुछ भी करो, घर अपना कंफर्ट जोन है.
Exactly, I agree with you. That's what family value, ना? घर पे अथवा all parents, you know, घर के अंदर कुछ भी करो, बाहर जाके ऐसे बनो. So all the girls say,
हेलो, मुझे मालूम है, you know,
double standard.
हाँ, exactly.
hey,
That's
double
family value.
standards नहीं, double standard नहीं,
Double
comfort
standards,
zone. Hey,
hypocrisy.
no, it's not hypocrisy.
It's ingrained into our culture, फातवानी.
तू क्या बात कर रहा है? इनफैक्ट आई हैव फ्रेंड्स, बंधुजन जो भी देख रहे हैं, जो भी सुन रहे हैं, आपसे मैं पूछूंगी, इफ यू हैव लिव्ड इन द मिडिल ईस्ट, इफ यू हैव लिव्ड इन दुबई और हैव लिव्ड इन Saudi Arabia, a lot of women wear the, what do you call that, Alto Baba? They wear that
Abaya.
abaya. They wear the whole thing, right? The outfit, which is with the burqa and everything, right? But inside, you have no idea. They'll be wearing designer distress shorts.
Don't say you have no
distress
idea.
jeans.
I have an idea.
How do you have an idea? You cannot. I know because I saw them you see them in the restrooms when they're fixing.
No,
their
sorry.
makeup.
I don't see the restroom, sorry.
Hey, well, you know what I mean, the powder rooms, okay?
Hey, but the point is, my point is the fact that it is a family show. It's a family movie,
Huh.
right?
So my only response to Faltu Rani would be, चलो ठीक है, कह रहे थे कि family movie है, but is it realistic? मतलब जो होता है उसमें, वो real life में ऐसे होता है, I don't know.
हाँ, वो realistic मैंने नहीं बोला कुछ.
Why
मैंने
can't
realistic और filmy नहीं बोला.
Excuse me, why can't life be filmy? My goodness, you guys are like, you know, my life is filmy, yaar. Every day I go through horror.
Actually ना, you know, क्या रे?
Nothing.
क्या रे?
Talking about
क्या
my
बोला?
life.
क्या
you know.
बोला?
Early morning when I come on the
क्या-
show.
क्या
Right
बोला?
now, see now action sequence.
क्या
Actually, you know what, also, Baba, I was thinking of this. Actually, your guys' life is very interesting because every day there's something new. It's not, you know, boring and mundane like, you know, most other people. चलो उठो जाओ अपनी जॉब में रोज वही काम, like, you know, like you're on autopilot and you're doing the same thing every day. I think with you guys, you know, there's a lot of new, fun, exciting stuff happening every day, and no 2 days are the same. I mean, I could be wrong, but that's just, you know, what I think. But it's not my life, so I don't know.
I like the way you're thinking. Keep thinking that way. It's good. Because
That
some
is
reality we're living a good life.
Yeah.
In somebody's reality we're living a good
No,
life.
रे Alto Baba, that is true ना.
Hey,
That
everybody's
really
thought is
true.
a reality, Fatwani.
अच्छा.
If you have a thought about something, it's your reality.
Yeah, exactly.
But very good. Thank you so much. At least आपके सोच में हम अच्छी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, right? हाँ, very good. प्रिया जी, तो very good. तो आपने establish कर दिया कि we still don't know, question mark on whether दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे is a family movie or not. You're saying no. Yes, Jena.
Hi, Jena. Bam bam.
Yeah, Jana's whining and wants to go home. We were gonna go to a store and now she's like, I want to go home. You can say Pam Pam, Jana.
Pam Pam, Jena.
Louder.
Jena, we love you.
Yeah.
They love you.
See, that's what.
Thank you,
विभाजी
sweetheart.
आइंदा जब आप जेना के साथ रहोगे ना, जेना को हमारे साथ पैम पैम बुलवाओ प्लीज, ओके?
Oh, Jana खुद Pam Pam show करती रहती है, so
Very good.
definitely I will do that. I
Yes,
will do that.
thank you so much. That's why we got a family show, because family listen to us.
Correct.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Vibaji Sundareka, and enjoy your trip with Jena. We'll talk to you in a few minutes. But of course, people who are commenting on Facebook without basis.
Yeah, without what basis?
What is she talking about?
She's like,
Alto Baba, song is in the home in London.
Huh?
Same difference, yeah. London हो या Paris, right? घर के अंदर उसको एक ड्रेस कोड है, बाहर एक और ड्रेस कोड है, right?
हाँ, Arey, it doesn't
That's
matter.
why that's reality. That's reality, Faltani.
And Aditi Shetty, call in and share. Yeah, we'd love to hear from you because she says she grew up in Abu Dhabi, but Abu Dhabi is very different from Saudi. It's very different from UAE as well, from Dubai as well. They wear their abaya, and underneath the abaya, they're wearing whatever they feel comfortable wearing,
Oh my
and in
God.
their homes, they're in whatever outfit they want to be. It really doesn't matter unless they're in the presence of male company, or they have to be in the presence of they're going out in social
What if
circles.
they had company of email?
If it is, I don't know, man. As far as I know, the people that I saw is when they didn't. I saw them mainly. I was shocked when I saw like a mini. They change into their outfits, right? In the powder room. Remember that
That's
one time
okay,
we
yeah,
snuck
that's-
into that spa.
No, hello, excuse me. Don't try to pull me into the whole thing. I could not see anything, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she kept her hand on my eyes. I could not see anything.
No, he could not see. He was not there in the powder room, by the way. We actually snuck into this major 7-star.
It was Cleopatra Spa, Faltani.
It was
Everybody
called-
knows about this place.
Yeah.
And by the way, Banjan, I'll tell you what, this is a story for us next time. But आज फालतूवानी is about घर संसार गुरुवार.
Correct.
घर संसार की बात हो रही है. विभा जी ने लेके देखा? I told you she loves this song.
ए तू बात करते रहे, मैं तेरे को बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक दे रही है.
And I'm talking about movies, actually family movies, not family oriented movies, Manujan. No. Family oriented is when they make a movie for the families.
Ha.
Family movies when the family is talked about.
Yes.
Right? Now, there are many movies which can fall in the category of family movie.
Correct,
Right?
correct.
Let's see what comes to your mind when we talk about family movie. Now, of course, the question in everybody's mind is, what, Dilwale Dulhania is not a family movie? Vibha says no, Faltu says yes.
I think it's a family movie.
And
but
I say yes also. I say it's a family movie as well.
yeah.
Yeah. And I have my own reason because I'm a person who says even Sholay is a family movie. What? I can tell you why it is a family movie.
He will say even Pap Pap is a family movie.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. It's definitely a family
That's
movie.
true, actually. Yeah, it's true. It is a family movie.
Yeah.
Because it's a family concern.
Correct. When you listen to a show, your family gets concerned. Hello, Pam
And all your family's concerns are on the air.
Hello, Pam मैं आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है घर संसार गुरुवार में. Who's this? Hello.
Hello.
Pam, 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 pam.
Pap 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 Pap.
Hey, Deepa, you can't chime in on this topic today, Deepa. You're a rebel.
क्या?
You're a rebel. I can't
Yeah.
think of you as a family girl.
Yeah, because our first introduction
She's
to
like-
you was Olage Sir in the
Gundo. Yeah, and no, I can't imagine
Yes,
Deepa. Deepa, you are a dhunki girl. I don't think you're like a
अरे हाँ
family
मुझे पता
girl.
है. अरे पहले टॉपिक तो बोलो. वो जो
Topic
मूवी
तो-
फैमिली मूवी है वो बोलना है ना.
नहीं फैमिली मूवी बोलना है लेकिन आप यू आर नॉट द पर्सन क्वालिफाइड टू टॉक अबाउट टुडेस टॉपिक.
Why, man?
She is not. She's like a rebel. I think of Deepa. I see Deepa as a as a
Who
rebel
are you
star.
to judge that, Altu Baba?
Hey, I can't help it. Deepa, the way you fight with me and all, you're like the person
No.
who's totally who's
मल्टी
against.
फैसेटेड मल्टी टैलेंटेड है मेरा पर्सनालिटी. मैं ऐसे भी वो रंग में भी रंग जाऊंगी, ये रंग में भी रंग
Hi,
जाऊंगी.
hi, 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 hi.
लेकिन जब गोपाल ने गाया
Thank
ले
you,
रंग
Faltani.
में रंगने
ऐसे पात्रा
वाली.
नहीं है. She can rock Indian dress as well as
Hey,
western.
not
With
that
me.
way, man. I'm talking about family concept, yeah.
हाँ फैमिली कॉन्सेप्ट है.
yeah, how? You're the person
फैमिली
who-
से तो सब कुछ है.
Acha, so you okay, let me ask you. When you think of family movie, not a oriented movie, what comes to mind first? First thing comes to mind. No second thing. First thing.
हाँ अभी मैं बोलूंगी और
Hey,
तुम
hey,
फिर
no
फिर
talking.
उसकी
First thing.
खिंचाई करोगे. मुझे
नहीं
पता है.
first thing coming to mind. Please tell me.
रुको, 80
हम
वाला
आपके
movie.
हैं कौन?
Ah.
मैंने बोला ना, मुझे मालूम था.
This is known.
100% बोलेगी हम आपके हैं कौन.
Now there, I agree with you. That is a total family kind of movie only, right? Because it's a whole story revolving inside a family, the incestual love they have and everything, right?
Eh,
अरे
there's no incest.
अरे फुल ऑन.
Full on है ना?
आल्टो बाबा,
हाँ.
आल्टो बाबा देखो, लव प्यार में जो बुनियाद है सबका, वो दुनिया के एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज बेस्ड ऑन लव. हाउ कैन यू नेगेट लव? तो लव हर जगह है.
But
Love
don't you think
family
that
में
particular-
मनाना चाहिए.
Don't you think that the particular movie title is a disservice to the movie itself?
हम आपके हैं कौन.
Yeah.
It's just a funny, I mean, title, तुम टाइटल पे मत जाओ. मतलब see, उसमें ऐसे उस हिसाब से in a broader spectrum, if you see, it has shown all types of relation. सिर्फ लवर like boy and girl की कहानी नहीं है.
हाँ.
संधियों के बीच में कैसा रिश्ता होता है और
हाँ.
कजिन्स के बीच में कैसा, भाई बहन के बीच में, सिस्टर्स के बीच में, बहुत सुंदर से दिखाया गया है एंड
No,
इवन द
I-
फ्रेंड्स
yeah.
एंड एवरीथिंग
I agree. But I have one question for you today.
फैमिली पैकेज.
I have one question for you, Deepa, if you don't mind.
हाँ.
आज इतना सहमे क्यों हो? Everything okay?
अभी
हाँ मैं थक गई थोड़ा.
हाँ.
बाय द वे हैप्पी गणेश चतुर्थी.
tomorrow darling.
ये darling,
मेरे यहाँ पे
tomorrow.
tomorrow है.
हमारा श्री गणेश शुक्रवार होने वाला है.
हम लोग हाँ श्री गणेश
अच्छा
शुक्रवार.
ठीक है लेकिन आज हमने आज सेलिब्रेट किया. आज ही एक्चुअली इसे बहुत
अच्छा इसीलिए आज गणपति रखा है, इसमें बहुत शुद्ध बोल रही है.
अच्छा
ओह नो वंडर यार, रोज रखा करो गणपति यार. शांति के साथ बात करेंगे वरना तो झगड़ा होती है ये.
मर्डर क्या?
मेरे को ना उसके दिमाग में वो सवार रहता है जनरली.
ये
Did you make kadbu wadbu today?
कड़बुआ.
Yeah, I just made.
Huh? So when people come to watch Ganpati, you give them kadbu, right?
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ ओके. तो कितने बजे तक डोर खुला रहता है?
डोर खुला. वो थोड़ा ना मांगा
ये फैमिली से ना दरवाजा खुला रखना.
आप लोग जब कभी भी आओ मेरे दरवाजे हमेशा खुले रहेंगे.
ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज हमारे पास आपका
आज
एड्रेस नहीं
तक
है.
उसने पता नहीं दिया है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
अरे हेलो देखे बहुत पुरानी बात हो गई वो.
देखो
अच्छा,
यार,
मैंने
we
मैंने
have
एड्रेस दे दिया.
एक्सक्यूज मी, ऐसी बात नहीं है, आपने एड्रेस नहीं दिया, लेकिन फिर भी हम ऐसे योद्धा लोग हैं कि हम लोग हवा से पूछ लेते हैं. वहाँ पे आके बोलेंगे हवा हवा
बहुत busy रहते हो दोनों.
हवा, कुछ भी ऐसे
हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ.
बिजी मैं नहीं, फालतू रहती है. आई एम ऑलवेज फ्री
हाँ?
यार. मैं चार्ज भी नहीं करता. क्या रे,
शर्म नहीं आती तेरे को?
कभी नहीं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स तो वेरी गुड. तो उस
आंटू बाबा अभी एटलीस्ट इट्स हाई टाइम यू शुड वॉच दीज मूवीज.
अच्छा अच्छा दीपा एक मिनट. दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे आपके हिसाब से फैमिली विभा जी ने कहा नहीं है.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा है.
हाँ.
तो आपके हिसाब से क्या है वो फैमिली?
इट इज अ फैमिली मूवी. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ फैमिली मूवी.
शी इज सेइंग टेरिबल व्हाट अ वे टू लिव.
क्या वो है?
हाँ.
She's not saying, oh God, that's about you. That's what she's saying. हाँ.
I agree with you, Faltaran. It's a family movie. अभी तुम लोगों को कौन सा फैमिली मूवी चाहिए? Come on, like इतना स्क्रूटनाइज.
नहीं एक ही काफी है. अरे बता दिया. हाँ, शी इज नॉट यूज्ड टू अस, लेकिन यस टू हर. दीपा हमने आपका आंसर ले लिया. यू आर राइट अबाउट इट. आई एग्री. हम आपके हैं कौन इज अ फैमिली मूवी.
And Dilwale Dulhania also is a family movie according to us.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you also agree, right? She also agrees that Dilwale Dulhania is a family movie.
Yeah, but you know what? आपको अच्छा ठीक है. So हम आपके है कौन is the movie she gave. So I guess the song that you're going to choose is.
ये गाना लगाओ. कभी ऐसे गाने बने नहीं बाद में भी. I don't think any movie like आज हमारे दिल में. That's like somebody song.
Oh my God! You're not going to believe Deepa.
Deepa,
That is exactly what Alto had lined up.
I
Oh my
lined
God!
up just that song for you. देखा गणपति.
बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं हम. एक दूसरे के दिल की बात जान लेते हैं.
नहीं ऐसी बात
मुझे
नहीं
पता है
है.
ये
मुझे मालूम है.
आज
नहीं आपके घर पे आज
Just,
आज आपके घर पे मोदक बना है तो मेरा कनेक्शन उससे है.
हाँ. तो मैं गणपति जी से यही
दरख्वास्त करती हूँ.
दरखास्त नहीं यही
विनती है.
नहीं प्रार्थना करूंगी कि हमेशा ऐसे दीपा और आल्टू के बीच ऐसे मतलब पीसफुल शांति बना रहे.
तो इसके लिए एक उपाय है. लाल किताब है ना. लाल बुक.
अरे अभी सारी क्या बोलते हैं सारे रिक्वेस्ट एक तरफ. ये अलग सा रिक्वेस्ट हो गया गणपति बप्पा को.
दीपा यकीन नहीं मानोगे सिर्फ मैं नहीं अदिति भी बोल रही है फेसबुक पे आज तो गणपति का चमत्कार हो गया.
एग्जैक्टली. आई टोल्ड दीपा का टोटल सब्जी. दीपा तुम ना रोज बनाओ ये मोदक बनाओ. एक दिन मोदक बनाओ, एक दिन कड़ू बनाओ.
हाँ. और लेकिन हर रोज आल्टू आएगा.
यार एक हफ्ते में सब पैक करके रख देना. मैं आके लेके जाऊंगा होलसेल में.
हाँ
ठीक है. Then you will also feel like. See, thing is not the problem. Faltu, you know what the solution. The thing is, जब तक आप मुझे खिलाओगे ना, when you actually make food for me to eat, you will be happy. Yeah.
Really?
That's what it is. Have you tried making food for me? Anytime, Faltu? Anytime? Have you done that?
मेरा चप्पल का है।
She's saying that I'm always happy. That's why.
मैं आलतू बाबा आज मैं हील नहीं पहन के आई, नहीं तो उससे गाड़ देती मैं तेरे को।
गाड़ देते, गाड़ते नहीं हम मारते हैं। हाँ, खड्डा खोदते हैं। अच्छा, बाद में वेरी गुड। दीपा जी, आप आज भजन वजन कीजिएगा एंड हमारे लिए भी हमारे लिए भोजन का इंतजाम कीजिएगा। ओके, आप भजन करो, हमें भोजन दे। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू सो मच दीपा जी। हैप्पी गणपति टू यू ऑल्सो इन एडवांस।
सुनते रहिएगा, अगर आपके जहन में कुछ और आया जब हम लोग सवाल पूछते रहेंगे तो आप यहाँ पे जरूर वापस कॉल करें।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रॉब्ली कल तक हमारा गणपति हो जाएगा, बिकॉज अभी तक तो उनका जेट लैग रहेगा। 8 घंटे का झटका रहता है उनका। एनीवेज आप यहाँ पे थैंक यू सो मच दीपा जी। आपके लिए गाना डेफिनेट लगाऊंगा, सुनते रहिएगा।
हाँ, ये आपके लिए है गाना।
हाँ, क्यों?
हाँ, क्यों?
बाकी सब गाने हैं ना।
अच्छा, बहुत सारे गाने हैं।
वाह,
कौन सा गाना लगाने वाला है आलतू बाबा?
तेरा फेवरेट गाना पता नहीं
कौन सा वाला रे?
गणपति बप्पा मोरया, तारारंपम।
Okay, now listen up. We're going to tell you a story. A story about 4 guys. Ta, Ra, Ma, and Pa.
Correction, my lord. There were not 4 guys, 2 guys and 2 girls.
Okay.
जो गिरे तो रात सहारा, माँ पल में समझे पा का इशारा।
हिदाई राई माई पा अगर मिल जाए तो ये संगम, तो ये सरगम सुनाई दे सबको।
तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम।
यस एग्री विद बदरजन। आप सोच रहे हैं इस फिल्म में काफी से अच्छे गाने थे। हाँ, तो क्यों लगाओ अभी इसको बदरजन? डोंट वरी, आई हैव बटर सॉस कमिंग अप द नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स। एंड फादरानी, आगे बढ़ते हैं। एंड वी ऑलरेडी रेस्टेड द फैक्ट दैट दिल वाले दिल ले जाएंगे इज अ फैमिली मूवी।
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, well, we've got 2 votes for it. 3 votes for it.
I'm not going to play a song for the movie.
Why? Why?
मेरी मर्जी।
Okay, fine. Whatever.
मेरी मर्जी। आपका बच्चा, आज है घर संसार गुरुवार। यस बदरजन, मेरे मुंह से सुनने अच्छा लगता है जब फालतू टॉक्स अबाउट। फालतू ने कुछ बोल टाइटल के बारे में।
घर संसार गुरुवार।
It doesn't sound nice at all, Banajan. Yes, exactly. The point is, हाँ, शिद्दत की बात होती है and conviction की बात होती है। जब
क्या बोला?
गाली गलौज गुरुवार will sound nice on you. हाँ, with you, Adar.
हाँ।
ये घर संसार में मारपीट नहीं होती है? हाँ, नहीं।
होती है।
घर संसार में मारपीट बहुत होती है Banajan.
हाँ, exactly.
And इसको, okay, अभी let's ask a bunch more.
हाँ.
How about this movie called? Why should I give the movie name? Why can't they call up and tell me, this is a family movie?
Okay, yeah. Let's give
The phone number out.
Yeah. Huh?
What? Huh?
Okay, the phone number is 408-912-2479. Today we're talking about Ghar Sansar Banjan, that the feeling of family. We are family. I got all my sisters with me, kind of thing, right? So हम लोग आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आप हमें कॉल करके बताइए कि आपकी जहन में कौन सा मूवी सबसे पहला आता है जब हम लोग बोलते हैं कि फैमिली, घर संसार वाला पिक्चर।
Yes.
ऐसा कोई मूवी जहां आपके दिमाग में फटाक से
No,
ऐसे
not the movie where you can take your family and go with your grandfather, grandmother,
No,
grandparents.
not like that. No.
We are talking about a movie which is about grandfather, grandmother, you and everybody else.
Yeah, where you can enjoy the movie, which is about a family. The movie is about the family. The family is the center of that movie.
Yeah.
Right? It's not one particular character that's standing out, but it's the entire family.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Suraj Barjatia is very famous for that.
And
I think he actually has a wedding planning company, I suppose. Because हर एक फिल्म में कुछ ना कुछ प्लानिंग करता रहता है शादी के बारे में. And he has a beautiful song from the movie हम आपके हैं कौन. Title seems like as though it is a sidey movie.
Why man? Why is it a Saidi movie?
Imagine.
What is it? It just
हम
says,
आपके हैं
who are we
कौन?
to you?
Exactly. हम आपके हैं कौन? The kind of movie.
That's the way you say it so Saidi, yeah? You'll make anything sound bad.
आज हमारे दिल में, आज हमारे दिल में अजब ये उलझन है, गाने बैठे गाना सामने समझन है.
Oh my
This
God.
is just for Deepa Jorapura.
Wait, what is this talking about line modifying for Sandan?
Why not?
This is family, huh?
क्या it is family? Samdhan बोल रहा है ना?
He is putting line on the Sandan.
Hey,
Sandan is like the daughter's mother or whatever it is.
hey, mother-in-law. Samdhan means my in-law.
Yeah, whatever in-law. Why do you? Excuse me. Wow.
Where is putting line? He's just
गाने
saying.
बैठे गाना सामने संधन. And what the girl, the lady Rimala was giving expression like, oh wow, my ex-love.
Oh God.
नमस्कार, आप कहाँ से पापा के घर संसार गुरुवार में. Who's this? Hello? Hi? Hello?
पैम पैम जी
कौन
कौन
है भाई?
बात कर रहे हैं?
Hello?
हेलो.
कौन है जो फूल लग
पैम
पैम पैम इतना शांति से क्यों बोल रहे हो आप?
कौन है
अरे
जी?
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था क्या पहले?
नहीं विशाल जी सुनाई नहीं दिया, लेकिन अभी आपका आवाज आया मुझे. यस, वेरी गुड. कैसे हैं आप?
Okay.
क्या आप बहुत
बढ़िया.
सहमे सहमे क्यों हैं आज?
हाँ, वो भी
हाँ?
गणपति का
आप
पूजा
भी
कर रहे हैं.
आप भी घर पे गणपति रखा क्या?
नहीं, मैंने घर पे नहीं रखा.
हाँ.
मंदिर में है आज गणपति.
वहाँ जा रहे हो क्या? शिद्दत से जा रहे हो टीका का लगा के ना? सही है आप लोग ना?
जाएंगे शिद्दत से.
जैसे ही नहीं, अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. हमारे देसी लोग नहीं हमारे इंटरेस्टिंग, हमारे देसी लोग इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट ये है यार.
क्या?
पोशाक के ऊपर मूड है हमारा. जीन्स वीन्स पहन लो एकदम राउडी,
ए कुछ भी यार.
कुर्ता उर्ता पहन लो एकदम सीधा
क्यों
साधा.
क्या बात कर रहा है? मैं
सेवा.
शॉर्ट्स इन टी शर्ट पहन के मैं गोकुलाष्टमी मना के आई हूँ. ठीक है?
You don't follow the category.
हाँ.
You don't follow
हाँ,
category
मुझे वो
family.
जन्माष्टमी हमारा बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन होता है, तो मेरे
ये
कजिन ने
फालतू
बुलाया
नहीं,
था.
तेरा
नहीं, मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला
नहीं,
काम
फालतू-
वाम करके.
विशाल जी इसका सिचुएशन ये ऐसा है. शी इज टोटल फैमिली कंसर्न. फालतू नहीं.
हाँ।
Wherever she goes, family is concerned. Oh my God, she came.
हाँ, मुझे लेकिन जब वो फैमिली का जूम कर रहे थे, मैंने बोला सिर्फ चेहरे पे रखो क्योंकि बाकी का नहीं देखना उनको.
एंड किस्मत देखो, कैमरामैन में ही था.
रास्कल ऊपर नीचे पैन कर रहा है.
नहीं किया
Shameless
मैंने
fellow.
क्लियरली बस तेरा चेहरे तक ही लिया था, एंड बाकी सब लोगों का पूरा लिया था मैंने.
ऐसे दिल में होता है अल्तु बाबा.
क्या
पोशाक
खोट तेरा?
हाँ, तेरा खोट. रास्कल.
कुछ बहुत दिल में होता है मेरा.
आज मुझे लगा कि शायद फैमिली शो है, तो ये विषय से भटक के कहाँ चला गया ये?
Excuse me,
हाँ,
sir.
थैंक यू सर.
हमारा
फिर से
आज
पूछो,
का
फिर से पूछो.
एक्सक्यूज मी, आज हमारा संसार शो है, घर आपका है.
हाँ.
इसलिए घर
हमारा
संसार गुरुवार
संसार
है.
तो आप हो.
हाँ वही ना, तो वही तो घर संसार है ना आज. अच्छा इसलिए नाम है.
घर हमारा संसार आपका है.
यस एग्जैक्टली, हमने आज ही सोच समझ के टाइटल रखा घर संसार शो.
हाँ.
घर संसार गुरुवार. तो आप बताइए हमें कि विल बी इंटरेस्टेड लिसन फ्रॉम हिज थिंग. वो आपके हिसाब से कोई फर्स्ट व्हिच कम्स टू माइंड वी टॉक अबाउट फैमिली मूवी, क्या था आपको?
हाँ, सूरज बढ़ जाते की मूवी.
Which one movie?
तो विच वन? एक तो अभी हो गई, कौन सी थी?
नहीं
हम आपके हैं कौन, उन्हीं की थी ना?
हाँ तो इफ यू से हम आपके को I'll take it anyways. What do you think?
हाँ, वो उसके अलावा जो थी वो थी हम साथ साथ हैं.
हाँ.
वो सारे भाई बहन और
Was it हम
मम्मी,
साथ?
पापा.
Excuse me, one second. आप I think you're telling the mistake. Title wrong बोल रहे हैं आप.
क्यों?
हम 7-8 है ना उसमें?
ए,
हम 7-8 हैं.
क्या?
हाँ, 7-8 लोग थे ना.
हाँ उसमें 7-8 लोग थे.
हाँ.
मतलब 4 pairs थे, right? There were 4 pairs.
सब
अच्छा.
4 भाई थे शायद की, और
4 भाई थे ना,
बहन थी.
एग्जैक्टली 4 भाई थे, उसमें से एक सौतेला भाई था, राइट?
हम साथ साथ है. ओके, फैमिली ड्रामा अगेन. सूरज
हाँ.
बजात्या.
हाँ उसी का तो
हाँ.
ड्रामा उसी का होता है always.
अच्छा.
हाँ लेकिन आप बोलो उसमें क्यों फैमिली शो है वो? क्यों फैमिली है?
फैमिली, वो पूरी फैमिली की जैसे आप डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, एक नहीं दो नहीं, सब पूरी फैमिली, मम्मी पापा सबके ऊपर.
एक मिनट, हम साथ साथ हैं मतलब वहाँ पे 6 ही लोग हैं, 3 कपल्स है. सैफ अली खान, करिश्मा कपूर, व्हाट इज द गाय, नूतन सन,
मोनीश बहल.
मनीष बहल.
हाँ क्या
मोनीश
मनीष
बहल.
बहल.
Oh, I thought it's a हरा भरा बेल. Okay, Munish Bell, and then we have Tabu.
Monish Bell.
Tabu.
What?
Salman Khan and what's other one? Salman Khan के साथ था कौन? बेंद्रे.
Saif Ali Khan is also there, right?
सैफ अली खान. वो 3 लोग हैं ना, तो 7 कहाँ पे लगे वहाँ पे?
अरे वो भी तो थी उसकी बहन.
हाँ, हम 7
क्या
इसीलिए.
नाम है? वो अरे वो
नीलम
थी ना? नीलम.
हाँ, नीलम को सही में निकाल दिया वहाँ से. हाँ,
तो नीलम तो थी ना
उसमें पैर नहीं है ना नीलम का. Does she have a पैर?
नीलम थी क्या उसमें?
हाँ,
ताबू
नीलम का
थी.
husband
सोनाली बेंद्रे, ताबू,
हाँ
करिश्मा कपूर.
हाँ
हाँ.
तो क्या
और
मैं
नीलम वो सिस्टर.
नीलम वो सिस्टर तो 7 हो गया ना. हम
okay.
7 है. यस
अच्छा.
यस. अभी सेंस में आया आगे. तो मतलब 4 लोग, मतलब 3
और मम्मी पापा
काउंट नहीं होते ना वहाँ पे.
अच्छा.
बट इट्स अ फैमिली शो. क्या मैंने फिल्म देखा नहीं है.
उसमें एक का समधी वो था कौन, वो क्या नाम था उसका विलन?
शक्ति कपूर.
नीलम का हस्बैंड.
नहीं नीलम का हस्बैंड तो पता नहीं कौन था.
हाँ, उसको मार
उसका
देते
नाम नहीं मुझे पता. एक वो सदाशिव
अमरापुर पर खुरकर.
हाँ वो था ना कि एक लड़की का पापा.
हाँ, इधर भी ना बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग.
एक समधी वही था जो उसकी मम्मी के कान भरता है.
ओहो, ऐसा भी होता है कान भरने वाला. हाँ.
लेकिन आपके हिसाब से जब आप फैमिली वाला मूवी सोचते हो, जो आपके जहन में आता है, ये मूवी आता है? I mean, do you think of this movie like, oh wow, this is a family movie? And is it realistic?
फैमिली है, बाकी और भी थे जो तारा उन्होंने बोला.
हाँ, लेकिन ये रियलिस्टिक है आपके हिसाब से?
ये वो है ना रियलिस्टिक. बहुत होता है फैमिलीज में.
अच्छा.
कान भरना वरना कान
कोई
भरना.
किसी को कुछ बोलता है, कोई किसी को कुछ बोलता है.
अनबन तो नहीं हो सकता ना, बिकॉज हम लोग बन नहीं बनाते. नहीं, आप कैसे बनाते हैं?
हाँ बन नहीं बनाता है. अन कोई और देता है.
I thought we don't make bun, we only roti raha house, right? So,
Oh God.
hey, but anyway, good. तो आपको उस फिल्म में से गाना है, तो वहाँ पर that particular song, ये तो सच्ची है कि भगवान है.
Oh God.
Hey, but I have one question for you, यार. ये
गाने नहीं मुझे पता उनसे कौन से थे. उसमें एक वो था, शायद एक गाना मुझे याद है, वो यशोमती मैया वाला.
हाँ,
और कोई गाने नहीं याद मुझे.
मैया यशोदा, यशोमती
मैया
मैया.
यशोदा.
हाँ वही जो भी था.
Same difference.
या हम साथ है.
That looks like a counting song.
टाइटल.
हाँ.
हम साथ है, 7 लोग.
अच्छा.
But I'll tell you what.
But movie was like a family movie, but it was a jail category movie.
Oh.
I know. It was a torture.
Wow.
Such a long movie.
Hey, but I don't understand one thing. Why
That's
do
one thing about the Suraj Bajate movies, right? Every single one of their movies is like such a long
backside
movie.
हाँ.
It is so long. हाँ.
I mean, ये हम आपके हैं कौन छोड़ के आई. मैंने प्यार किया was okay. बट हम आपके हैं कौन मुझे अच्छी लगी. मैंने बहुत बार देखी जा के थिएटर्स में.
अच्छा, आप भी. अच्छा, आप भी दिमाग गए थे. मतलब पहला 2-3 बार समझ में नहीं आया आपको?
हाँ, पहली बार नहीं समझ में आया. जैसे आपको शोले नहीं समझ में आई ना आज तक.
शोले every time. No, seriously, actually, you.
Hey,
hold on. Now we talked about what family movie which I like. Actually speaking, Sholay, I've seen 75 times. I told you, right?
And each time you take a different meaning from it.
Yeah, every time, right? I take out different meanings from it. I don't know why. It's either it's like, no, actually I'm looking for something, but something fresh comes out of the story every time I see it.
Oh God.
Yes. What? Oh, that's how I realized how Gharelu or Gabbar Singh was. What? Please don't laugh.
Gabbar Singh.
Yes, Gabbar Singh
से सहानुभूति हो गई बार-बार.
सहानुभूति की बात नहीं है. सोचो यार कितना. See, he was a person who was encouraging his staff to involve.
सांस्कारिक. हाँ, कितने आदमी थे.
लेकिन बार-बार वो पूछता था कितने आदमी थे. वो
अरे रे, he also wanted to follow the traditions of the world.
ने पूछा
कब है होली. नहीं, he used to ask
75 बार उसने पूछा.
कब है होली. Yes.
बार वो.
And aficionado for music and dance. सर आप समझते नहीं हो. वो बोलता नाच. क्यों? Because he liked the dance form.
अच्छा.
He could have taken a goalie and glorified the guy, but no.
उस हिसाब से कितना, मतलब he used to extend his arms out so much that he said, ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर, right? जा रे.
He was the brothers in arms for him.
Oh God, yeah, he took his arms.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, but hey, थोड़ा बहुत guidance होता ना. He also wanted love, man. End of the day, Gabbar needed love.
अच्छा. Oh God.
अगर गब्बर को फैमिली मिला होता या बड़ा भाई ऐसा कोई मिला
मुझे
होता.
लग रहा है आलतू बाबा अगर एक और कुत्ता अडॉप्ट करेगा उसका नाम गब्बर रखेगा.
Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea at all. I have a. Oh my God, very good. You just brought me. I've been dreaming about a boar boil for quite some time.
Huh?
I've been dreaming about a boar boil.
What is a boar boil?
It's a dog which is like a. It's very famous mountain dog.
अच्छा.
It's like very famous in South Africa.
And he will have a sidekick called Samba.
Samba.
Yeah.
Not bad at all, Father. Not bad at all.
I am getting very creative.
You're getting creative right
Building
now.
your canine.
Samba would be a beagle. Beagle को रखना है.
Samba, no, yaar.
ऐसा.
Samba, I
क्यों?
can imagine.
Beagle अच्छा
Samba
है.
should be a typical, should be a husky
हाँ.
or should be a German Shepherd.
Greyhound.
Greyhound, नहीं Greyhound.
German Shepherd नहीं है Samba.
नहीं यार.
Samba ग्रे साइड की थोड़ी रखोगे German.
ए तुम लोग क्या
ऐसा
ये
होएगा.
क्या
मेरा कुत्ते का नाम शैडो का नाम चेंज करने वाला कोई मल्लिकार्जुन.
मल्लिकार्जुन भाई.
Because he keeps licking his hands on Malikarjun.
Malikarjun.
Keep licking his paws always. So Malikarjun.
Chhe, poor thing, he's got a problem then. अच्छा, you guys are literally taking the show to dogs.
What?
Be quiet.
हर संसार में कुत्ते भी allowed है.
हाँ, मालूम
हाँ,
है.
वो तो हमारा संसार है.
Exactly.
हाँ, exactly.
What is this फालतूआनी?
हाँ.
Thank you so much sir. लेकिन आपके लिए वो मैया यशोदा लगाएंगे जरूर.
मैया यशोदा.
गणपति के अवसर पर मैया यशोदा लगाएंगे.
हाँ.
हाँ, very good. Thank you so much sir. I think इसमें of course अच्छा choice दिया उन्होंने. हम साथ साथ हैं.
और उनके हिसाब से बहुत realistic है.
Yeah.
हाँ, वाह. I should watch this movie. I have not seen it. So if it is
हाँ,
realistic.
मत देखना प्लीज.
तो फिर अगर realistic है तो क्यों नहीं देखना है?
एडवाइजरी.
तू ना बस लाइफ जी बोल रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
Don't look at this thing.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक है. Thank you so much, विशाल जी, for
Thank you,
calling
जी.
in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening. तो अल्तुमिया,
Yes.
कौन सा गाना लगाने वाले हो तुम?
तो जो तू चाहे.
अरे दीपा अभी तेरे को ना उड़ा देगी. Seriously. उसका जो शादी
this particular song is a naughty song. दीपा how can you ask this kind of song?
उसकी तपस्या भंग हो जाएगी आलतू बाबा.
मेरा तपस्या भंग हो गया यहाँ पे देखो.
क्यों?
ये देखो गाना कितना total digressing and all this stuff, transgressing.
आज हमारे दिल में अजब ये उलझन है, गाने बैठे गाना सामने समझन है.
शर्मा रही है संतनों भी.
अहिला गाना लगा.
हम कुछ आज सुनाए ये उनका भी मन है, गाने बैठे गाना सामने समझन है.
Oh my God, Father, how come people think of it as a family movie? That's an awkward kind of sensation.
He could be her husband. I
No,
don't
it's
know.
not.
Oh.
They're supposedly opposite. What do you call that? He is the son's father and she is daughter's mother. What did I just say?
कानों की बालियां चांद सूरज लगे.
Dekha, that's right, exactly. Even her eyes went down.
Excuse me.
I haven't seen this movie, but it seems to be total.
Apparently
Risky
he had
kind of
he had a crush on her in college.
Dekha!
And it didn't work out.
Dekha! I'm telling you, this is a total.
Wait.
Not a family movie, I'm sorry.
Wait, Altu Baba.
Ah.
Did you notice how commenting on somebody's earrings could be considered as flirting?
So?
Huh? How many times do you comment on people's earrings?
I don't comment, I give them a compliment.
Yeah. How many times do you comment?
I don't go samne sandali. I don't do that, okay?
बालियां चांद सूरज लगे, ये बनारस की साड़ी खूब सजे. राज की बात बताएं, राज की बात बताएं, समझी जी घायल है. आज भी जब समझन की खनकती पायल है. राज की बात बताएं, समझी जी घायल है. आज भी जब समझन की खनकती पायल है.
Okay, he's reading this over here. Okay, it's fine. And of course, Bacha, this is a song from the movie called Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, which actually says, "What am I to you?"
And the song is actually maybe everything in this movie is premised on that. Ki, what is somebody? What is the samdhan to the
It is
somebody?
questioning relationships, Faltwani.
Exactly.
Huh.
Ew. Kind of like, yeah, you're right, Altama. It almost is sounding incestuous.
I told you, right? My observation always, first instance, always right, Faltwani.
Yeah.
And yes, Banjan, people call this as family movie. Well, okay, anyway, it actually redefining family, I suppose. Redefining all the rules, regulations. That's fine. You know, you kind of, it's very fine line you cross, right?
No, you don't cross. The idea is you don't cross the fine line.
It's the fine
what
lines.
the heck you mean?
It's the fine lines you draw, which you
You-
can erase later on. That's
Yeah,
just an issue.
yeah.
So, right, make it as fine as possible so you can erase easy to erase afterwards, right? Because lines can also blur out. I still don't know how Salman Khan became a hero what he is right now.
Fine man.
Horrible dance, horrible acting.
And doesn't look, it looks like one of those road
Creeps.
Romeos.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh, never mind.
I think it's
Altama-
negativity.
Deepa is going to get so angry at you because you're like commenting on every line.
होठों की ये हंसी, आंखों की ये हया, होठों की ये हंसी, आंखों की ये हया, कितनी मासूम तो होती है बस दुआ, राज की बात बताए, राज की बात बताए, समझे खुश किस्मत है, लक्ष्मी है समधन जी, जिनसे घर जन्नत है।
All right, both okay, Gana. I don't understand the Faltani. Why does family movies always have to have Thakela songs?
I don't know.
I know, not all. What?
And the
need to question that.
unrealistic, I think it's unrealistic expectations and images of this ideal girl or woman or something.
Really?
Yeah, it's very unrealistic.
So you're saying all Sunnis now that way?
I mean, huh?
Are you talking like as a
No, they make them
daughter-in-law?
out to be the
Wait,
the
are you,
mother.
are you talking in perspective
It's like, you know, every single movie that you see, they try to make the
mother, the girl's mother,
but the girl's mother is
sacrificing.
one of those
Sacrifices, but she's not.
very quiet.
But she's
very
not. But you're saying that
very
you're saying that she's the one who's going to play in all the games.
No,
Then
Chha, what nonsense! That's not true. They don't show. They show her as somebody who's adhering to everything.
But in
and
reality,
don't-
she's not. In
Ebe.
reality, she's the one demanding. What are you saying? What are you trying to say?
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that they're trying. It's a message that they're trying to send. At least from what I have seen in some of these movies, the kind of image that they portray is like, oh my God, it's like she has to be like very docile, very like domesticated. Very
She must
this.
have actually had a fling with the sons.
No man,
Oh, sorry, okay.
stop. Nobody's saying that.
That's
Although
what the
don't
movie is all about,
no,
right?
no.
Supposedly, college may they had a hot roaring affair.
No, I don't know. I don't think so.
That's
He
what you
was
said.
That's what Deepa has written. No,
Okay,
somebody has
probably
written.
no, I don't know. It's a family today. Ghar Sansar Guruvar. We're talking about Gharelu kind of movies.
Yeah.
When I say Gharelu, not Gharelu is family oriented. We're not talking family oriented movies. We're talking about family movies. Movies actually have family. Look at right now how most of the majority of movies people are sharing with us are Suraj Barjatya movie only.
Yeah, why,
Why?
dudes? Seriously.
Whatever happened to you guys thinking about family movie? I will tell her. You know what? I want to put a spin on this right now, Faltwani. We need to just change the whole sequence right now.
Okay.
Right? How about you can make out 80s, 90s, there was a concept of family movies.
Huh.
Prior to that, there was no concept of family movies, what I think.
No, Ray. There was. What are you talking? There's so many movies. What is that? That movie, Bawarchi. That is totally about a family
70s,
movie.
yes.
Yeah.
I will agree on that. Let's talk about Bawarchi because we need to change people's minds. Because people are still in the
Bawarchi is
80s,
about,
90s.
it's about dysfunctional family. It's about how it requires an external entity who brings them all back together.
That is the
That
man.
is the Bawarchi. Yeah.
That is the man who's married to the girl there.
Eh? I don't know.
Yeah, he's married. Rajesh Khanna
Huh.
is Jai Bahaduri's love interest,
Huh.
and he has to come in to bring the family together. He comes in, but doesn't come as a husband,
Huh.
but comes in as a bawarchi
Huh. Huh.
to work
Exactly.
there as a bawarchi.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. So that's one of the movies that is there, which is totally family oriented, and ये जरूरी
Nah,
नहीं है कि
again, no
not
orientation.
family, it's about a family.
Please, हाँ.
ठीक है. और ये जरूरी नहीं है कि blood relatives हो एक family movie बनाने के लिए. वो movie भी यादों की बारात is about family.
Yeah.
उस जमाने में जो movies बनती थी
हाँ.
जहाँ पे भाई लोग बिछड़ जाते थे. मेरा राम कहाँ गया types, you know, that like, you know, one of the
मेरा राम कहाँ गया?
I don't know what Vijay and whatever, right? What is, so it's generally
Why
about.
didn't they have names like Vishal, Pranab? Huh? Why didn't they have the kind of names?
I don't know, Altu Baba. Maybe those movies are going to be made by you now going forward. Why Pranab all of a sudden?
I don't know. I just thought of those names. They're also pretty filmy nowadays. That's why.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, why can't they be named that way, right?
Yeah.
Why should they always be Vijay, Dinanath Chauhan?
Acha.
Yeah, Bunty, Rocky. Why name Rocky?
Eh?
Huh.
Rocky.
There was a movie called Rocky 80s, no?
Hey, wait, excuse me.
Ah.
Where are you going, Altu Baba? You're talking about movies which are family movies at that time, right? There was a beautiful movie, Parichai, right? That was another beautiful movie where
I haven't seen Parichai.
It's like the Indian version of Sound of Music.
Parichai se Parichai karana, please.
You know, I think in that movie only, right? Musafir hu yaro, that is from that
So
movie.
sweet, Fatma.
And that's Sare ke sare gama ko
Oh,
lekar gaate
then
chale.
that way if you look at it, right, I really think Bachelor was Brahmachari was a movie, a family movie.
Correct.
Don't
Isn't,
scare me that way.
wait, isn't that the movie in which he's got all these little kids
Yeah,
with him?
orphanage, he makes a
And,
family out of it.
Yeah, that is, yeah, of course it is.
That's a family movie. Now, please get out of the Suraj Barjatiya sentiment.
Yeah.
That is not family. That is a make-believe family.
Correct.
That's like a wannabe family.
Huh.
Why I don't like Suraj Barjatiya movies is because it's difficult to pronounce the name. One. Second thing is, what? It's what happens to me. Second thing is, it is facade.
Yeah.
Family is to come from within, right? नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम के घर संसार गुरुवार में. Who's this? Hello.
Pam Pam.
हेलो पैम पैम अंतु बाबा
दीपा जी नमस्ते, कैसे
तुमने
हैं?
मेरा गाना बजाया कि नहीं?
आपने सुना कि नहीं?
आपने सुना नहीं
नहीं,
दीपा?
भजन कर रही थी. हाँ, बजाया हमने.
हाँ मैं पूजा कर रही थी इसलिए वो थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं गायब हो गई थी फिर
Doesn't
वापस
matter.
आई
नहीं
मैं।
नहीं, अभी आप पूजा के साथ भी ध्यान करें ना हमारे शो पे. वेरी गुड.
बाद में देख लेना
हाँ।
दीपा, तेरा नाम ले लेके बजाया उसने.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसी नहीं दीपा जी.
अंतु बाबा गाना कम बजाते हैं कमेंट ज्यादा करते हैं
लेकिन खाना बराबर खाते हैं. हमारे
पूरा
लिए
वो गाने को डाइसेक्ट करके मूवी तो देखा नहीं बैकग्राउंड गाने का बैकग्राउंड कुछ पता नहीं और ऊपर से कमेंट मारने का
अच्छा, ये सब पूजा करके टाइम में समझ में आ गया इसको. वाह वाह, क्या शिद्दत से पूजा करते हो आप.
हाँ
वेरी गुड.
हाँ.
कभी
अंतु
कभार
बाबा
कभी
हम
कभार
आपके कौन पूरा फैमिली एंटरटेनर है
Please,
अभी
I'll
आज
tell you.
ये वीकेंड कुछ टाइम निकाल
आई
के वो
वांट टेल यू वन
मूवी देखो,
थिंग.
ठीक
अभी
है?
तो अब गणपति
हाँ.
है. प्लीज कॉल अप
हाँ,
शक्ति कपूर
शक्ति कपूर क्यों?
ठीक है
एंड
ठीक है,
आस्क
अभी
फॉर
मैं
हेलो
दूसरा-
वन
अभी
सेकंड.
मैं दूसरा मूवी बोलने वाली
एक
हूँ
मिनट
और
रुको ना.
फोन रखो।
अरे एक मिनट रुको ना.
नहीं मुझे तो जाना है अभी एक मिनट
क्या आपकी वो बुला रहे हैं क्या?
बिफोर इट इज
क्या गोपाल बुला रहे हैं क्या?
या उधर जाना है मुझे आरती के
मेरे
लिए,
पति
एक
परमेश्वर
मिनट,
बुला रहे हैं मुझे. हाँ से बोलो ना, मेरे पति परमेश्वर मुझे बुला रहे हैं. हाँ बोलो.
हाँ गोपाल बुला रहे हैं.
देखा?
और दो रास्ते
बारह
and एक और मूवी थी संसार एंड एक और मूवी थी खूबसूरत.
हाँ.
बहुत सारे फैमिली ओरिएंटेड मूवीज थे.
ओरिएंटेड नहीं चाहिए मुझे. आई डोंट वांट ओरिएंटेड मूवीज. आई
वो
वांट
फैमिली
फैमिली.
मूवी थे मैं अच्छा ठीक है फैमिली मूवी थे दो
Okay.
रास्ते एंड खूबसूरत
वैसे भी आपको
एंड देयर इज
मंगल आरती
वन
के
मोर
जाना है.
मूवी कॉल्ड संसार एंड चुपके चुपके.
तो मंगल आरती में डेफिनेटली हमारे लिए कुछ मांग लेना.
क्या मांगना है?
हमारे लिए मांगना कि हमारी एक फेवरेट बंधु है, उनको खुशियां और सब कुछ मिले
अरे वाह.
जो आप
थैंक
है.
यू थैंक यू
ठीक है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay.
चलो बाय.
थैंक यू सो मच दीपा. इतने सारे मूवीज दे दिए तो अभी तू तेरे को कोई चॉइस नहीं है.
नहीं वो सुनने वाले नहीं है ना.
क्यों?
है आप मंगलाती बजाओ.
मैं सुनूंगी मैं बाद में सुनूंगी.
बाद में कहा
बाद में नहीं, अभी सुनने का दीपा.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, अभी सुनूंगी।
नहीं अभी
मेरे
एक काम करो,
भाई।
अभी शुरू कर दो पूजा वूजा, क्योंकि बाद में हम लोग प्रसाद खाने के लिए हम आ रहे हैं।
पूजा पे
Okay,
शुरू
okay,
हो गया,
done.
ये बीच बीच में आके यहाँ पे मंगलाती करके जा रही है।
यहाँ पे आग लगे जा रही है, आग वहां पे लगाओ, मतलब दिए जलाओ वहां पे।
दोनों दो तरफ पूजा हो रही है।
पूजा दो तो हो रही है। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू सो मच।
हाँ।
मैंने बोला शक्ति कपूर को कॉल करे,
हाँ।
ताकि श्रद्धा के साथ कुछ काम करे, ये पूजा करे।
शक्ति कपूर को क्यों कॉल करना है, डायरेक्टली श्रद्धा को कॉल करेंगे ना।
लेकिन डेट्स तो शक्ति कपूर देंगे ना।
हाँ करेक्ट।
बिकॉज शी इज वेरी फैमिली गर्ल।
ओह गॉड।
नंबर टू कॉल योर 4089122447 नंबर। एक क्लासिकल सॉन्ग सुन लेते हैं, वापस आके पूरा शेकअप कर देंगे।
घोराई गया अंधियारा, सारे जग में हुआ उजियारा, नाचे झूमे ये मन मत भरा घोराई गया अंधियारा।
फोन आ ही गया हमरा। अरे कौन है भाई?
हेलो।
हाय मोहम्मद साहब, आपका आवाज मतलब फोन में बहुत डिस्टरबेंस हो रही है, प्लीज बैकग्राउंड में बंद कर दीजिएगा रेडियो।
हाँ हाँ
हेलो मोहम्मद साहब, इफ यू हैव द रेडियो इन द बैकग्राउंड वी कांट हियर यू।
कर दिया
नहीं आई कैन स्टिल हियर। हाँ मच बेटर, यस। हाँ बोलो सर।
भाई, वो सीता गीता
सीता और गीता, हाँ हाँ सुनाई दे रहा है सर।
सीता गीता दो बच्चे थे, खो जाते दो बहनें,
लेकिन वो फैमिली शो,
दूसरी अलग जगह।
लेकिन सर वो तो फैमिली शो नहीं है ना, फैमिली का मूवी नहीं है
नहीं
ना।
फैमिली शो है 100%।
नहीं फैमिली
वो
ओरिएंटेड
family-
फिल्म है,
आप फैमिली शो किसको बोलते हैं?
जहाँ पे
सिर्फ
फैमिली
सब
हो,
मिलके देखें।
एक पूरे फैमिली के बारे में बात हो,
जहाँ पे सिर्फ एक या दो लोगों के बारे में पिक्चर ना हो, पूरी फैमिली की इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो।
Sir, I hear a lot of background noise in your call. हाँ सर, एक काम करते हैं, आप थोड़ा एक और बार कॉल कीजिएगा, बिकॉज आई हियर लॉट डिस्टर्बेंस इन योर लाइन एक्चुअली।
वापस कॉल करेंगे मोहम्मद मजिद।
नहीं हाँ नाउ बेटर है।
नाउ इट्स बेटर, नाउ इट्स बेटर।
हाँ ये बेटर है, हाँ ये बेटर है।
5-6 फिल्मों को नाम तो दिए मैंने आपको।
हाँ थैंक यू सर, ले लेंगे हम लोग
और
आपका।
जैसे शोला और शबनम पुराना।
शोला और शबनम में फैमिली एस्पेक्ट कहाँ से आता है, मतलब आप बताओगे? हमने नहीं देखी है। हाँ तो
नहीं,
बताइए।
शोला और शबनम बड़ी प्यारी फिल्म थी और गाने सुपर डुपर हिट थे भाई।
गाने नहीं सर,
मूवी
मतलब-
जबरदस्त गाने।
नहीं गाने नहीं चाहिए हमें, फैमिली स्टोरी नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं एक बात बता रहा हूँ, फिल्म में गाने भी बड़े अच्छे थे।
हाँ
शोला और शबनम
ठीक
में।
है सर, लेकिन हमें गाने से मतलब नहीं है। वी वांट टू नो अबाउट द स्टोरी, हैज टू बी अबाउट अ फैमिली, एक फैमिली के बारे में होनी चाहिए।
उसमें क्या फैमिली कॉन्सेप्ट निकलता है सर, क्या कौन सा फैमिली वैल्यू निकलता है उसमें से, आप ये बताइए। शोला हमने नहीं देखी
हमने
है,
नहीं
तो
देखी
अगर
है।
किसी ने नहीं देखी है, अगर देखनी हो तो उस मूवी को उस एंगल से देख सकते हैं, राइट?
हाँ तो बताइए क्या।
हाँ नहीं, वो तो बड़ी अच्छी है। तो 50 साल 55-60 साल हो गए देखे, वो सारा भेजे में दिमाग में भी नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ तो कैसे होगा फैमिली स्टोरी?
भाई हमने तो देखा, तो हमने तो सब अपने बच्चों के और वाइफ के साथ देखा था। माँ भी थी हमारी हयात, तो हमने कहा अम्मी ये फिल्म आप पे देखने जैसी है।
हाँ ना वही ना, तो वो हो गया फैमिली ओरिएंटेड शो, जहाँ पे फैमिली जाके देख सकती
ये।
है। लेकिन हमें चाहिए कि स्टोरी जो है फैमिली के बारे में हो।
वो फैमिली के बारे में हो।
हाँ
हाँ
चलो अच्छा, चलो मैं देखता हूँ। मेरे को एक बात ये तो बताओ कि 92.3 है ना आपका?
हाँ तो आप जो है, आप हमें ऐप पे सुनिएगा, हम आपको थोड़ी देर मैसेज करेंगे वापस, ठीक है सर? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग अस सर।
All right, thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
घोराई गया अंधियारा, घोराई गया अंधियारा, सारे जग में हुआ उजियारा, नाचे झूमे ये मन मत भरा घोराई गया।
एंड ओके बच्चन, अभी हम लोग थोड़ा गेयर शिफ्ट करेंगे, एक और कॉलर लेंगे। नमस्कार, आपका हार्ट स्वागत है पैम पैम के घर संसार गुरुवार में। हुज दिस? हेलो
हाय पैम पैम।
पैम पैम, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया
बढ़िया,
नाइस टॉपिक।
थैंक यू सो मच, ऑलवेज।
Thank you.
हम लोग जो भी टॉपिक लेके आते हैं शेरों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए लेके आते हैं। What?
इसलिए आप शो शेरू भी सुन रहे हैं.
Of course, yes. Come on.
Obviously यार, हमें फैमिली वैल्यूज इंस्टिल करने हैं ना हमारे
some-
नेक्स्ट जनरेशन वाले बच्चों पे.
Yeah, we are driven with purpose, yaar.
हाँ.
Now, Sheru should say, "Oh my God, mom had such cool taste and all."
Has and mom.
Has.
And I wanted to wish you happy Ganesh Chaturthi and to all the listeners.
Okay, so आप लोग भी गणपति रखा है क्या आपने?
You don't have to keep Ganpati to.
Thank you very much.
Always
आपको
there.
भी
Thank you very
happy.
much. We are talking about getting prasad from you, that's all.
You have no idea. We'll drive even at like 9:30, 10 in the night. Ask Megha. Even during COVID, we drove all the way at
Yeah.
like 10 in
Wore
the night.
masks and told her we'll take the
We'll take
prasad
it in
outside.
the-
Especially Modak.
From the
Yeah,
driveway.
for modak. She made ukdechi modak.
sweet
Oh
she
my
did.
God.
Is there a hint for me, Megha right now?
Yeah, it
Hint
is.
Megha tomorrow.
Actually, we've been invited. Prachi already invited us.
Oh, what really?
Yeah.
Invited us? Ki only you.
No, well, you,
I'm sorry. I tend to be pylon anyways. Come along.
yeah. They know that you're like.
A pylon, yes I know.
No, this
Shameless
is
fellow.
package
Paatu
deal.
के
Yes.
साथ आलतू free.
Yes, exactly. I'm like that Bata pricing. $9.99. I'll
Part
be
of the
99
name also, na?
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
I'm part of Faltrani anyways. Faltrani, part of you is me. 3/4 of you is me.
Yeah. Ayo, no, more than that, man. 90%.
Yeah, it's true, correct, Faltrani.
Yeah, I only, you know what
pH.
wait, I'm the pH factor, so I'm balancing that all too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because of
I am
me,
acidic, you're basic.
Yeah.
Oh, love that.
Yeah.
I am acidic, you're basic. Very
Yeah.
good. Yes.
Or you can just look at it this way. For those of you who look
मतलब
at
मेरे
us,
किए करा तो
एक
पानी
minute,
फेर देती है।
sure, एक minute. For those of you who look at us, you'll know that I'm pretty hot. I'll do.
Hey, actually, I agree with you. I agree with you. I'll tell you, why. When you look at us together, right? Aditi, you've not seen us in person, right? Have you?
She has.
You have seen us in
अरे
person?
Facebook पे देख रही है क्या?
Not on Facebook, of course, I'm very photogenic, different issue. The point is,
चलो और कोई तो खुद ही तारीफ कर लो.
Aditi, don't laugh that way, यार. ठेस पहुंचता है. मेरे को नहीं, मेरे फैंस को.
मेरे fans को
मेरे
Fan is a feeling.
नहीं, मेरे फैंस को ठेस पहुंचती है. नहीं, the point I'm making is, we look at us, it's like कीचड़ में कमल. Yeah, I'm like कीचड़ में कमल. Yeah,
कुछ भी
without
random.
me, she
ऐसा
can't
कुछ
look
नहीं.
nice. Yeah, you require to have the background for someone to be in the foreground, Faltrani.
Oh Lord.
So I'm that particular thing which actually
आज
creates.
क्या हो गया? मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, इसी के वास्ते
नहीं, तू
praise
तो
कर रहा है?
कमल है यार, तू कमल है तू.
हाँ.
कमल है तू, कमल. कमाल की कमल है तू.
अभी विषय से मत भटको.
Hey, by the way, her birthday is tomorrow. You should be
What's new?
surprised. What's new, Chiefs?
Exactly.
शेरू ना उठ के बोलेगा, Mom, stop it, please. Yeah. अच्छा, coming back to the point right now. Aditi has got a very nice movie for us.
हाँ.
बोलो Aditi. Family movie बताओ. घर संसार
So,
परिवार.
our family used to always watch all that Utpal Dutt movies together.
Oh yeah, man.
So,
Hey,
all of them. Like,
what the heck? You saw Shaukin also?
No, not all. I mean, the ones that were like super funny, yeah, like
गोलमाल.
all the
Golmaal?
Chupke.
गोलमाल. गोलमाल.
Golmaal?
Of course,
It's a family
Golmaal.
movie.
I
Hey.
watched Golmaal with my parents too. I mean, the
Golmaal's
old
a
one,
good movie,
not the
yeah.
Hey, not
new
the
one.
Golmaal which your cousin made. I'm talking about Golmaal which was done by Amol Palekar.
My cousin, huh?
Rohit Shetty, no?
अरे you said you're related ना यार.
You
इसी-
told
इसी के बाद-
शेरू की
I
मामा.
never said that. मतलब कुछ ही दुनिया भर का शेट्टी सब सेम ही है क्या?
सेम नहीं है बाबा, रिलेटेड है.
हाँ.
What? Seriously?
ए बेचारी, she's hanging her head in shame. Yeah, be quiet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, don't worry. Even Sunil Shetty is there, okay?
Hey, you know what? I'm
Huh.
going to give him one more chance with
Who?
Suryavanshi.
No, don't worry. I took it back. Suryavanshi whole story you know now.
No, I want to see Suryavanshi. अरे क्या dialogue लिखा है रणवीर सिंह का dialogue तो
That is the
boss.
only dialogue which you'll have to go
But
see in the theater. Everything else is bakwas.
हाँ, मेरा बट किसका बड़ा है? क्या what?
Entry.
Dialogue हाँ.
You should not stop it there.
I know that is
Entry.
I love the way the dialogue is written. Have you seen
Not
it?
written, executed well.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
executed.
I watched the movie. I have a friend who loves all of those. I don't know. All those movies are like all lion name based, right?
ए नहीं रे, सूर्यवंशी निकला नहीं अभी तक. सूर्यवंशी.
what?
Yeah.
I'm talking about Rohit Shetty's movie.
Yeah.
Suryavanshi
Well, okay.
is
One thing in your defense, I would say all his movies seem the same.
Yeah, no, but
Yeah,
Suryavanshi.
actually.
Yeah, and I think I also recognize a few cars he repeats all over again. He just does body work and replaces the whole thing.
Yeah, that's true.
You're right.
Thank you.
I watched Simba.
Yes.
But I like everything is S, and all of these names are like some like random. I don't know.
Yeah. Singham,
Really?
Simba, all those things.
Those are
and
also
guess
family
what?
movies, huh?
And guess what? His cars, right?
Huh.
He repeats. There's a Mazda car repeats multiple times in his movies.
Okay, I don't care.
Yeah, it was one movie, it was orange color, the other one was red color actually afterwards.
Also, Baba, I don't care.
And then the white gypsy, he likes to repeat a lot. Well, actually, no. This time around, he actually has got a helicopter also, where that Akshay Kumar jumps out of.
We're not talking about a family of cars.
No, we're not. The
Okay, I
Aditi,
want to share one more movie before you all forget the whole issue again.
हाँ. Hey, where y'all नहीं बोलने का. I'll do.
Hey, hello?
I'll do.
Altu forgets the issue again and takes us on a different road, and
What?
then eventually it ends up with Sholay.
No, I end up with always Sheru.
What
Yes.
is with S's today? Everything is S.
You named him Sheru, not me.
Hey,
I did not name him Sheru. You were the one who named
his
him
name
Sheru.
is not Sheru. We gave him the name
I
Sheru.
forgot. Yes, yeah, it's right. That's true.
He thinks your baby's name is Sheru.
Hey, so what? यार प्यार से बुलाते शेरू उसको यार. Come on.
हाँ. ये बच्चा
हाँ.
ये ऐसे मानो या न मानो अदिति
हाँ.
शेरू स्टार बन गया है.
Yes.
पूरी बेरिया जानती है.
छा
और
गया
I think
बंदा.
in fact, हाँ, बंदा छा गया कि
Yeah.
कि एक शेरू की माँ है.
हाँ.
जॉन एयरकॉल.
Exactly. Aditi is become शेरू की माँ.
And ये जो बच्चा जो कभी अभी पैदा हुआ है सीरियसली एंड इस बच्चे की इतनी बातें हो रही है और है
हाँ.
एक दिन वो लोग बोलेंगे अच्छा तू शेरू है.
नहीं. Next time when he makes entry into preschool, no, I'm 100% sure his teachers are going to be welcoming him so well. He'll be so well known. You know, Faltwani?
हाँ भाई.
You know what song will play in the background when he actually comes in?
What song will play man?
Huh?
Ala Simba ala.
Yeah. I can imagine his preschool will be like reverberating with the sound. I can imagine this happening. It's so good, no? Aditi is dropping him in a Tesla or whatever it is. He gets down and he just music plays in the background.
Aditi Tesla हुआ.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You have a Tesla, right, Aditi? Hello?
कहाँ से कहाँ तक, guys?
अच्छा.
Hey, that's my talent, yeah. Can't help it.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay, family show की बात हो रही है, family movies की बात हो
हाँ
रही है.
अदिति क्या यार इतना भटक जाती है
हाँ.
टॉपिक से.
Please come
हाँ,
back.
seriously.
उत्पल
नहीं
दत्त,
भटक
हाँ.
जाती हूँ.
हाँ,
सही
उत्पल.
बोल रही हूँ.
अरे ये आलतू की बातों में मत आ दीदी.
हाँ?
मैं बोल रही
You
हूँ.
sound like Jeevan.
No, I don't. I sound like Shashikala.
You know very well what you sound like. Huh? Very good, very good. You got a wink also. Hey, Aditi ki batein bata. Acha, but Aditi, come on, coming back to the point. You said Utpal Dutt, you said Golmaal. Very good.
Yeah, there's so many Angur, Padosan, all these are family
I
movies. They're
know,
fun
Angur.
movies.
Very good. Angur, even you talked about Angur, didn't you?
Yeah, I was
Falguni?
just talking to him about Angur offline. लेकिन ये जो Angur है ना, I've forgotten the story. Isn't it based on Comedy of Errors?
Yes, it is actually.
But are they actually related?
They are,
They are
right?
relatives. They are, or is it just a matter of chance?
No, I
What?
think they're twins, right? They're separated at birth.
Yeah, it was on purpose. It was like inspired by.
Yeah. So it is about family, Altu Baba. The whole movie. I remember watching this as a baby, like as a kid with my parents, and literally they were rolling in laughter. I mean, it was like.
What's hilarious.
We should watch it again,
Hilarious.
man. We should watch it again. And
I
Sanjeev,
know only one song in the movie which actually Preetham Animilo.
that is picturized David Verma.
Yeah.
What a combination that was. Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, and we don't talk much about Dev Verma, do we? We
Yeah,
should-
no,
should-
even Sanjeev Kumar. Where,
I know.
Seriously.
You know, let's do dedicated show for them, man.
Yeah, we should do it one
Aditi
day.
can be part of as a guest host for us.
Yeah.
Right, Aditi?
Yeah.
She's like, yeah. I
Movies
don't know.
anytime.
She's like, the way she said, no? You start-
संजीव कुमार साहब को श्रद्धांजलि पेश करेंगी शेरू की माँ.
That's my expression was, yeah. I'll come, yeah.
Branding will be Sheru ki maa.
Hey, what? You don't like the name, is it? Okay, fine, we'll change it.
Ha. Let's
She
talk
don't like
about
it.
Sanjeev Kumar cinema on this Pam Pam show of Mahima with Sheru ki माँ.
She didn't like it. She
They're already promo
She
बनाने
doesn't
वाले.
like to be called Sheru ki maa.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
What does she like to be called?
I don't know. Do you like to be
I
called it?
did say that. I love how you did talk for me. Amazing.
Aha. Thank you. Yeah.
Always.
कभी
come
घमंड
on.
नहीं किया.
Yeah, exactly. Come on. Aditi, come on. बनता है यार. शेरू अपना बच्चा है यार. Come on, what is this?
हाँ, पैम पैम बच्चा है रे वो
Exactly.
total.
Yeah. Good parenting right there. I told you when I talk to your father-in-law, I'll definitely tell him that, you know, you're awesome.
Thank
daughter-in-law.
you. Stop.
Not mother-in-law, father-in-law, I said very clearly.
I know, but why?
Why? Because
See,
they should
because
know
your
what a
parents-
bahu you have, no?
I know your parents already know you're awesome.
Yes.
Whether you're awesome or not, they will always say
Whether you're awesome or not, your mom will make neer dosa for you anyways.
Will make what?
Neer dosa.
Neer dosa. Yeah.
Yeah,
So will my father-in-law and mother-in-law.
very good. So when that's when we ought to be. For us also should make know that we also recognize that daughter-in-law is awesome and all.
Yeah.
They should know, right? So the one their son chose was awesome, you know.
Yeah.
Pick,
You know, but although तुम आधा से ज़्यादा picture देखा नहीं है, but you know all these stereotypes फूट में है तुम्हारे अंदर.
I know. पैदाशी fault है, sorry. It's called a manufacturing defect. And I embrace it.
Yeah.
Yes. Huh. Well, I think in a previous one would have been a movie.
वो
or something.
क्या है ना
हाँ.
वो क्या है ना एक्चुअली हमारा ये आलतू बाबा ना बहुत जजमेंटल आदमी है. मेंटल तो पहले से ही था, लेकिन शो पे जब आ गया, महिमा जी जब निकल गई यहाँ से, तब से जनाब बन गए जज ऑफ एवरीथिंग. तो जजमेंटल हर एक चीज के बारे में ये है ओ वो ऐसा है.
फादर तो बहुत अच्छी लिखती है, बहुत लंबी लिखती है. That's all. Make it more shorter and more crispy. She'll start laughing.
See,
Otherwise she
there
won't
you
laugh.
go, there you go.
What? That's
There
what
you go.
I'm living up to my name of judgmental, right?
Yeah, you are.
Exactly.
Thank
So
you
like
very much.
confirm है like ठीक है.
As long
नाम
as
दे ही दिया तो मैं कर ही लेता.
देखो
हूँ.
अदिति, as long as you're smiling, आपको खुशी मिलती है ना हमारा शो सुन के.
हाँ.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया.
बस उतना ही.
बहुत funny show है.
जब आप खुश होते हो तो शेरू भी खुश रहता है यार.
And that point was bang on. Like some family shows, all were those, all those typical what are Suraj Bharsar. What's his last name?
बरजातिया.
Exactly. My point. बढ़ जाते
all
तो लो.
these movies, and sure they're all family movies,
Yeah.
but like I think most of us grew up watching some other kinds of movies.
Yeah, but
Like Mr. India, you know how to forget Mr. India? It's like
Very
such an
true.
amazing
That's
movie.
true.
Good point. You got a very
That's
good
true.
point.
That's true. That's exactly right.
Very true. I agree with you on Mr. India. Also, same with
Brahmachari.
Brahmachari.
Yeah.
And was there any other movies recently in that?
I was going to ask about Mr. India because Mr. India is kind of a sort of a takeoff on Brahmachari, sort of,
it
a
is.
little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and
sort of. Yeah, it's true.
Even that movie in which Mehmood Kuwara Baap, is it?
Kumara Bap is an excellent movie. It's
That's
sad
such
movie
a
though.
sad movie though.
Sad movie.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a nice movie, but it's
That's
very
one movie
sad.
I saw. I know that movie. Yeah, but I'll tell you, it's a very sad movie. But you know, that's, see, when we talk about family movies, not general tendency people is Suraj Bharjatia.
No, I mean it's like
No,
okay,
it-
bhai
But
behen.
that's Bollywood marketing for you.
हाँ.
Right.
Exactly. So,
Bollywood marketing, yeah, could be, yes.
but are there? So that's why the first question that we had when we started was, is it realistic or is it too filmy?
I think they're filmy.
Well, not
मतलब यार average family थोड़ी ना महल में रहता है. Like
Exactly.
Yeah.
wake up with makeup and all of this kind of.
Hey, I like that.
Yeah.
Wake up with
It's
makeup.
good. It's a different type of entertainment.
I think
Yeah,
Faltoni
that's
wakes up with makeup always, right? Faltoni?
क्या रे?
No?
क्यों?
You don't need your natural beauty. You don't have to make up at all, no?
Ah,
Yeah, she's natural beauty.
ये ज़्यादा हो गया आलतू
Tomorrow is her
बाबा.
birthday, okay?
Be quiet आलतू
I'm
बाबा.
asking her to surprise you tomorrow.
अच्छा.
When you call, you got to surprise her, okay?
तो कुछ शर्म नहीं आती है?
इसको आ गई ना?
हाँ,
इसको आ गई, चुप बैठ गई वो.
कुछ भी.
Tomorrow is Faltoni's birthday, by the way.
हाँ.
So when you call, you got to surprise her.
Oh,
Hey, not now. No. Not now.
अभी
Tomorrow.
नहीं विश करने का. अभी नहीं विश करने का.
Don't
अब
worry,
से
she's
बोलो.
very good
okay,
acting.
okay.
She's very good acting. When you wish, she'll say, oh, she'll be surprised. that way she's very well trained.
Well trained team.
Yeah.
What nonsense. I like to be surprised.
Okay, one more movie which I think, I don't know if you have seen this, Aditi, but if you not seen it, definitely see it. And I think it's a really good family movie
Huh.
to tell exactly the story of how dysfunctional a family can be. And yet it's not dysfunctional, it's dysfunctional. Jawani Diwani. Jawani Janiman. Huh?
जवानी जाने मन.
Jawani Janiman. Have you seen the movie? It's a
oh
recent,
yeah, the Saif Ali Khan was actually quite nice.
Yes.
But I would never show that to my child.
yeah, of course you would not.
But
Sheru.
it is-
No, Sheru you can show it to. It's fine.
No, when he's old enough.
Probably. No, but you know, it's so.
Like 10 years old.
So
Well, what
that's
is wrong with
this is a very interesting thing. Like, at what point do you expose these movies? Like, Hum Rahi Pyar Ke. Do you remember that Juhi Chawla, Amir Khan
No, I haven't
about the
seen it.
kids?
Yeah, they have something, right?
Oh, she has the singers, and one of them is I know the storyline though. One of them is a singer, and no, both of them are singers, is it? And then they have
What?
ego.
No, these are
ego
the
has
three kids. It's like a take on Sound of Music, kind of, not really.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, we have
It was a
not
very
seen it.
nice family movie. Okay, and I would show him something like that, but Jawani Janiman, I would expect a little bit older child to watch it.
of course, yes. You can't, at this age, you wouldn't even follow Hindi.
Yeah, at age 10 maybe. Because that's when they start sex education in schools. So it's fine.
I didn't know that. Mine
Yeah.
didn't start as yet. Mine didn't start.
No, seriously.
What?
यार तेरे को याद नहीं है लोग आए थे कुपर्टिनो स्कूल डिस्ट्रिक्ट से यहाँ बात करने के
वो
लिए
तो सही बात है. That's
हाँ.
true. That's true. I don't know where he really lives, but of course,
Yeah.
you got to be
But
mindful.
you know, you're right about like Rocky and all that. Even though those are not actually family movies, I watched them quite young. You know, हम लोग कभी impact नहीं हुए ये सब देख के. I don't
That's
know.
what you think, huh?
It's very interesting. You think? When जाके AK-47 जाके not AK-47. That is Rambo. I'm thinking of Rambo.
You think of Rambo, of
Right.
course, yes.
First blood first blood
But actually, Rambo was a good movie.
yeah it was a good
Oh, it was amazing.
Because my dad.
Of course, you want this.
No, my dad brought us all the action movies to tell me the saransh of those things.
Yeah.
We've spent time with my parents where they actually have played this movie and say, okay, what could be the thing of this? This is why it's not supposed, this is good, this is not bad, all this stuff. You know, one way of explaining moral to us through action movies.
oh
Guns of Davron.
Guns of
This
Davron
one was it's not a movie, but I'm sure everyone watched this growing up was Mowgli.
Ah,
which one
Mowgli.
Mowgli was a movie yeah
No, not. I mean,
Jungle
later
Book.
on it did become a movie, but we watched the Doordarshan version. It was
Ah.
so nice.
I know.
oh
That's a family movie also.
जंगल जंगल बात चली है पता चला है
Yeah, when my niece was very young, she
Chutney
used to treat me like Bagheera.
not Bagheera
Balu, that's true.
Bagheera it seems
Yeah. Yeah.
so okay so you're saying
Fine.
Mowgli is a family movie
Successfully, she has digressed the whole
No, it
topic.
isn't. That's a little of a tangent. But
ये देखो
I mean,
tangent
it is
little
obviously,
नहीं
it's a cartoon. So.
Yeah.
little नहीं ज़्यादा tangent हो गया यहाँ पे because Aditi totally
हाँ.
derailed the topic.
हाँ.
We talked about घर संसार गुरुवार.
हाँ.
What else you talked about?
I know.
Mowgli, this, that, and all stuff.
yeah
Ah,
no but
Aditi.
but for you what is the you said Hum Hera Hi Pyar Ke is the movie that comes to mind when you think about Ghar Sansar
No. When I think about watching movies with family and all, then I always
not
think
watching
about
with family
No.
a movie that is about family
About family. A good movie about family.
About family, I think about Chupke Chupke. I think about. There's definitely Bawarchi. Actually, I was thinking of Bawarchi and you said Bawarchi, and I was like,
Ah,
oh wow.
Yes, I also was hungry.
so not hungry man
Ah.
okay fine thank you Aditi I know
I'll play a nice song for you from the movie Chupke Chupke because I think Chupke Chupke also is a good family movie.
yes
Yeah, I'll play some songs and that is an amazing.
but none of it's interesting nobody mentioned any of the recent movies which are like family movies
Ah, I was going to come to the Faltwani.
huh
Yeah.
yeah
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
like what? Like, oh yeah. I think it's because the dysfunctionality is so much that it's interesting. Yeah, it is a family movie. Those
Which
are
one?
all family movies.
Which one?
That
Which ones?
want to associate more happy stuff.
Which ones?
There's the one that with the recent one with apna what's that? Pink. Sky is pink.
Oh. That's
Okay.
That's a good family movie. Yeah,
That's a
I
good
agree,
family movie, yeah,
I've not
okay.
seen the movie, but I know about the movie.
it's a good movie yeah
Priyanka Chopra and Farhan Akhtar, right?
yeah
And
And
there's
also-
also another Farhan Akhtar and Priyanka Chopra movie, which is that Punjabi, loud Punjabi movie. What is that movie?
Priyanka Chopra.
Those like to swing.
yeah
Ah.
Dil Dhadakne Do
Dil
that is
Dhadakne
the movie
Do.
that I was
That's actually quite a nice movie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is a good family movie where they talk about I mean it's very subtle and beautifully written. I like the except that last part. Oh god, that's where Zoya lost it and made it too
No, that's
cinematic.
where she won audience too, not like you.
I mean never mind.
What?
I don't want to spell out the word. So
You can't, is it? Because you don't know, right?
hey,
Yeah.
that is such do you know what I'm talking about, Aditi?
No. Aditi has not seen that. Aditi
She has
got
seen
hooked
the
because
movie.
of the last scene only.
No man.
See, I mean, for any Hindi movie to work, थोड़ा तो formula चाहिए ना.
यार इतना nonsense. हाँ, I will wait. What nonsense? मेरा इंतजार करोगे? वो bull nonsense it is.
Well, that's
Seriously.
what he did. No, he meant to say it in a sarcastic way.
छे, no.
अरे बस too much reality डालोगे तो family movie में फिर वो
यार,
नहीं हुई ना,
जरूर-
वो हो
नहीं,
जाएगा
मैं कह रही हूँ
आटी फाटी फिल्म.
उस डायलॉग की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. वहीं पे तो मार खा गया.
नहीं, वहीं पे तो सक्सेस आ गया फिल्म का, because that particular line is what drew audience to it.
Non-scans.
Yeah, the relation to Suraj Barjatya film came there, no? I'll wait for you forever.
Oh God.
But शुक्र करो एक डायलॉग में खत्म किया उसने.
हाँ, that's true actually.
Other directors would have made a whole scene of it.
Actually, I would have
That's
thought that
true.
Farhan Akhtar would like crack something and say like, "Oh, get out of that cliched, Bollywood nonsense."
No, all she said, I feel barfi.
So Farhan Akhtar is making increasingly like very Bollywood type formula movies now.
Correct.
Yeah, I think
So,
it's
yeah,
wrong.
I think Zoya Akhtar is the only hope in Hollywood.
No,
I know.
there's one that's coming out called Jile Zara, which
It
is
seems to be interesting.
it's Alia, Katrina, and Priyanka, and
Yeah.
it's the female version sort of
Zindagi Na
Zindagi Na
Milegi
Milegi Dobara. It's a girls trip.
Yeah. So
Oh,
that's
really?
what
Oh my
I.
God, of
So
course.
at least I'm hoping.
Representation.
Yeah, I hope
Yeah.
that actually inspires little girls like Faltwani to make that trip.
It's
Little girls like Faltu Rang, look at that.
What Faltwani?
oh, you're mocking me now.
I didn't say that. I said
You're mocking me now.
क्या दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी
He, you
She's
know
been
what?
planning trips.
You know what? I've been planning
hold on.
girls. Okay,
for
hold
the
on.
past 3 years.
Altu
3
Baba.
years.
That's
and-
not my fault. Girls
And
के
you're
लिए और भी लोगों को
broken.
चाहिए.
Excuse me, Aditi knows about this very well. Why Aditi? If the whole Bay Area knows how you let down somebody. Meenakshi is so heartbroken. She doesn't call our show today.
What?
Yeah, she's.
Arey, actually, she was in Primal Line. But last me. This one.
Ah.
Huh.
Which one?
Which one? Tell me.
Uh,
You just tell me the name. I give it to you.
Panga. Panga is
Ah.
a beautiful
Oh,
family
yes,
movie.
yes.
It's just nobody realizes it because it's about a sport
It's
and all
beautiful.
ambition.
Ah,
But
nobody realizes
the
it
way
because-
they portrayed the relationship
Correct.
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
so beautiful, right?
You know, I'll tell you what, Panga, why people will Nazarandaz fight is not because of the fact that sports, because it's a female lead. Sad.
That's true.
हो
actually.
सकता है.
That
हो
is
सकता है
sad.
यार.
No,
Hey,
seriously,
hey,
yaar.
wait. There's one more movie. Panga के बारे में बात किया. There's one more movie which is a very beautiful family movie which talks about all the family dynamics in it. बोलो कौन सा वाला?
I know.
A female lead.
वो सानिया वाली, not the badminton one.
No,
No, it's not a biopic as such.
It's not a biopic.
No, I don't know.
तुम्हारी सुलू.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
In which it's the hardcore reality of, oh my god, like that. If you look at it, even English is a family movie.
Yeah, and Vishalji brings another mix with one more name to the mix.
But hi ho.
Uh-huh.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And even that movie, man. What is that?
Shubh Mangal Jara Savdan.
So दोनों शुभ मंगल सावधान भी and शुभ मंगल ज्यादा सावधान भी.
Yes,
Those
exactly.
are also family movies, na?
Dekha, people don't think of those things because they only think family movies is Suraj Barjatya. Horrible. Please, Banuja, please take your head out of that Suraj Barjatya stuff.
Very nice. Thank you so much for getting us to start thinking about this.
Aditi, just like your name, you shed light on this stuff. Thank you so much for that.
What? What's my name going to do that?
Light, no?
Aditi,
Yeah.
the mother of Aditya.
You didn't know that?
No, I didn't.
Okay, now you know.
You did?
Okay, that's good.
So we
Google
enlightened
मारूंगी
you.
अभी.
Google मारो अपने नाम के बारे में सोचो और शेरू का नाम भी अच्छा नाम है.
Aditya Patyam Puman Aditya.
देखा शो ऑफ कर रही है गोल्ड
हाँ.
मेडलिस्ट ऑल इंडिया डिबेट संस्कृत डिबेट गोल्ड
अच्छा
मेडलिस्ट.
random है कुछ भी है. Don't like unnecessarily bring back
क्या?
wonderful memories. I
क्या
have forgotten
humility
Sanskrit
है,
fully.
क्या ह्यूमिलिटी है तेरे में.
Yeah. हाँ.
किमे तत आहा
तूष्णीम भवा.
हाँ.
तो अभी अदिति, thank you very
She told me
much.
to shut up in Sanskrit, by the way. Aditi is listening stars. In Sanskrit,
No,
Tushti Bhava
no.
means
And I
shut
started
up.
having dinner. That's right.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
okay.
You're having dinner.
Rascal.
निर्दयी.
अकेले लिए खा रही है.
खाने के बाद जुलूस लेना मत भूलना.
क्यों?
पेट में तो खड़ा अभी हम तो अभी खाली बैठे हैं, खाली पेट बैठे हैं यहाँ पे.
हाँ, that's true.
अकेले अकेले खाओ हाँ.
Okay, मैं रख रही हूँ अभी. Bye.
Bye.
ठीक है, the only show where the callers get tired of talking to us.
Family concern है भाई, ऐसे होता है.
Yeah, exactly. Family got concerned because they got totally connected to us.
हाँ, अश्लील भवा. क्या? अश्लील भवा नहीं, कुछ भी. ऐसे तूष्णीम भवा.
Ashleel Bhava matlab be what you want to be. Yeah. And of course, Banjan, right now, let me tell you, आज हमारा घर संसार वाला शो था. I hope you enjoyed the show because we still have a few more minutes to go. And why don't we play a song, Faltwani? A nice song of the movie Chupke Chupke. And of course, Aditi talked about this movie being a family movie. I also think the same way. It's a beautiful song.
मा सारे गा गा सारे मा मा गा रे सा सारे गा मा सारे गा गा सारे मा गा रे सा गा मा गा रे मा गा रे सा सारे गा मा सारे गा सारे मा गा रे सा.
आनंद बख्शी का म्यूजिक पंडितजान, आनंद में लिरिक्स एंड एस डी की म्यूजिक के साथ में मोहम्मद रफी एंड किशोर कुमार का कॉम्बिनेशन, अ रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन पंडितजान, from this hit jodi of Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra ji along with Jaya Bachchan and Shalina Tagore.
गीत पहले बना था या बनी थी ये सरगम, गीत पहले बना था या बनी थी ये सरगम, एक ही साथ हुआ था दो दिलों का ये संगम, प्यार का ये तराना जमाना सुन ले सारे गा मा 1 2 3 4 सारे गा मा सारे गा गा सारे मा गा रे सा.
आज है हमारे पम पम शो पे घर संसार गुरुवार वाला शो. अगर आपको मजा आ रहा है तो यार नेचुरली हर रोज तो हम लोग शो लेके आते हैं ऐसे ही मजेदार किस्सों के साथ. सुनेगा ए आहा हो.
जैसे दिल मिलते हैं वैसे सुर मिलते हैं, जैसे दिल मिलते हैं वैसे सुर मिलते हैं, फूल तब गीतों के होठों पे खिलते हैं, तुम तनाना दिन तनाना जमाना सुन ले सारे गा मा 1 2 3 4 सारे गा मा सारे गा गा सारे मा गा रे सा सारे गा मा सारे गा गा सारे मा गा रे सा मा गा रे सा मा गा रे सा मा गा रे सा
मा गा रे सा मा गा रे सा मा गा रे सा. बट देन ऑफ कोर्स ये था गाना आपके लिए फॉर द मूवी चुपके चुपके 1975 में आया था. फाल्तोनी, ओह माय गॉड. देखो ऐसे ही देखो फैमिली स्टोरीज बनी थी, बनी है, बनेगी. So don't set your mind only to Suraj Barjatia movies. Is this show all about anti-Barjatia? No, it's not. We're saying that there are many more. Expand your vista, but expand your vision of family stories. Because when we have unexpected, unrealistic expectations about families, is when you actually start seeing, oh my god, my family is not that way. Oh, comparison ho jata hai, right?
Well, actually, Antubaba, वैसे देखा जाए, right? There is one particular movie. Let's see if our bandhus can identify it. Okay, it's a family movie according to me.
Okay.
The movie has all the formulaic elements. Like it's got a very hot young actress who was, and you know her. There's another, young actor that was launched by Dharma Productions again, and they are in the movie.
Oh, and they also talk about the current scenario. Am I right
the
about
current
that?
day scenario where
Orientations and everything.
Yeah, it talks about embracing each other sans any expectations, and at the same time how when we have expectations we feel let down, and how communication breaks happen between family members, and even if with all the flaws in a person's personality, still there is a patriarch who tries to hold the whole movie is about coming together for a particular family portrait, which doesn't happen.
Yes, and of course it's a very nice movie.
Yeah.
Talking about dynamics at every level of the family.
Yeah.
So let's say multiple generations, right?
Yeah.
This actually talks about challenges of the young to the old, right? All the expectations, what exactly happens, what is reality, and what exactly it means to be a bandhu, a family member.
Yeah, what does it mean to be, being able, and how sometimes we don't realize the value of a family member till the person is gone. और for that matter हम लोग इतने छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को affect करने दे देते हैं that you know when it almost comes for a time when you're thinking okay fine we could reconcile, might be too late. That movie has explored all the angles. It's got a lot of melodrama in it, typical of a.
Hey, but also a nice item song in that.
It's got
नमस्कार,
very good
आपका
mood.
हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के घर संसार गुरुवार में. Who's this? Hello.
Pam Pam.
पैम पैम, कैसे हैं आप?
Very good.
वेरी गुड. तो विभा जी, आपने पहचान लिया होगा कि कौन सा गाना है, कौन सा फिल्म है?
मैंने सुना नहीं आपने 5 मिनट पहले क्या बोला because
How about 2 मिनट
I'm
पहले?
trying to call.
विभा जी, hold on 1 second. I hear some kind of you hear disturbance.
Yeah, I do.
Vibha ji, hold कीजिएगा 1 minute. Or can you call us back, Vibha ji, quickly, because I think there's a line.
Yeah.
There's a sorry, Badhujan, hey there, because we actually have a little bit of a problem around the lines. I probably have to get the technician to take a look at it. But Vibha ji, please do give us a call back. And of course, Faltran, do you want to tell them again about the story you talked about?
So this is a movie, Banjam, which talks about multiple generations. A fairly new movie. I would say 2016, 2017.
All that you're giving away, huh?
So it's a movie which talks about different aspects in the family. You wouldn't think of it as a family movie because it's so commercial in so many different angles. Because it's following the life of each character
It has
in that movie.
Bacha song in it, obviously.
And it's got like all the masala songs in it. It's got a very one of the sought after heroines of today, one of the sought after heroes of today, one of the sought after heroes of yesteryears. It's got a very
and the cardboard cutout of a sort of the heroine.
and one of I think the guy is extremely good looking. Another sought after hero who, I mean, one would say right now doesn't
fine, yo,
feature.
call waiting in.
So which movie is this which talks about everything, how you a family is all about being able to accept each other regardless of differences,
Wow, Faltwani, wow.
whatever type of differences it could be.
Yes.
Which movie is
Vibha
it?
ji, बताइए.
Oh gosh, I don't know. I was thinking of some other movies actually.
कल हो न हो?
No.
No. I was family movies. I was thinking of.
Bang Bang?
What do you guys think of? No. Tanu Weds Manu.
You tell us, what do you think? Is it a family show? Family movie?
In my opinion, yes.
Okay.
Returns?
Yeah.
Or I've only seen the returns part. I haven't seen the first one. I don't know what the Tanu Weds Manu is.
It's about a
Acha.
family. It's about a girl who actually he falls in love with her and he marries her.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it is a family. Yeah, it's about the family dynamics.
So Tanu Weds Manu, and then the other movie I was thinking of. I don't know if anybody has mentioned this one. How about Badhai Ho? The one with Ayushmann Khurrana.
all that came up. Badhai ho, Shubh Mangal Savdhan, Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan. वो सब बोल दिया.
Okay. I missed that part.
Very good, but I'm
yeah,
surprised
so I-
Vibha doesn't know about this
I-
movie.
This movie, which movie am I talking about?
She was dialing, she would not know. Tell it again.
I already, you share now.
Vibha, the movie's name is.
No!
What?
No, give it us. Come on, Vibha, don't you know which movie it is?
Hanji.
Which movie is it?
Can you? I'm sorry. I don't wanna. I'm gonna have to ask you to repeat once more.
But Faltwani is very sweet, she'll do it also.
No, Alta Baba.
You're not
You're
sweet?
very sweet, you'll take over from me. Now,
Of
come
course,
on.
I will always take over Faltwani. I always catch up where the slack is, no?
Huh.
But
Bolo.
Chalo, aap
okay,
bolo.
the thing is, it's about it's a story. It's a family movie. Okay. About a
Okay,
family,
okay.
and the best part of the movie is every aspect of the family. There is a story behind it. Like there's a perspective of every member of the family. The 3 different generations actually showed in the movie.
Yeah.
Right. And the score. This is very unlike a family movie, but it definitely is a family movie.
Yeah.
It has one of the top heroines, suppose right now, and then top heroes, right?
Yeah. So there's like a
Top hero. Is it?
no, okay, wait.
Is it good news? Is it good news?
No, it's
No,
not
it's
good
not.
news. It's actually very good news. Actually, the movie, of course, has talks about dynamics of siblings, right?
It talks about the dynamics
about
of
what?
the dynamics of siblings. It talks about
Dynamics of
dynamics
mommy,
of
papa, parents.
mom and dad. It talks about the dynamics of a dysfunctional family where there's a communication breakdown. Talks about expectations they
is
have.
it- Okay. Yes. Is it that? दिल धड़कने दो.
That no.
Well, actually, she's right, because we were talking about the same.
No, wait. So we didn't mention there's one more thing where it talks about the unrealistic expectations that parents have of the good performing sibling, so to speak, and the fact that with regard to gender stereotypes that we carry.
Okay, yeah, guys, I have no clue what this is.
Okay, but keep your hands free of any sharp objects because you'll have face palm moment.
Yeah, you definitely will have a face palm. I talked about gender stereotypes and I talked about differences.
Yeah.
Differences that some people have in terms of.
Chalo, theek hai, I'll keep listening.
Good.
Okay, good. If you haven't, maybe you've not seen this movie then.
Probably she has not seen the movie.
Oh God, if she hasn't seen it, she should watch it.
Yeah, you got to go watch it. I'm not going to shoot on you, but you can go watch it.
Yeah. So this particular.
I can't wait to find out what movie this is.
Very good.
Yeah.
Because Faltoni is like, ladki beautiful.
Hey!
What?
Altu Baba.
Tomorrow's your birthday. You should talk about
How
this.
much more clue are you going to give?
Oh my God, let's nacho, man. Tomorrow's a party for us. Let's go.
Oh
Okay.
God, stop, Altu Baba.
She still didn't get it?
She still didn't get it.
Okay, fine. Chalo, bye.
You didn't get it?
No, she didn't.
Oh God.
सुनते रहना अगर आ गया तो कॉल कीजिएगा जरूर. Okay, thank you so much for calling Alvia Baji. And of course, if you can be able to find out what movie it was, give us a call here 408-912-2479.
I gave a very big clue. I said it's about multi-generations. It's about the patriarch of the family who's not the ideal patriarch that people would think, who's like sanskari and this and that, but who has a very small request that he wants to have a family portrait of everybody together, and just getting everybody together itself becomes such a big deal, and eventually the portrait is incomplete.
Yeah.
Because one of them is gone.
But-
So it's a beautiful, it's very nicely shown movie.
But
so
I'll tell you one thing. This movie also has touched upon the concept of orientation.
orientation, yeah.
But what I didn't like about this particular movie was the fact that why would a person who is a foreign actor
Huh.
be the one who actually has a different orientation?
What?
Yeah. Why couldn't it have been Siddharth or the other younger sibling? Why should it have been the older
He's not a
sibling?
foreign actor, man.
Yes, he is foreign actor to concern to the Indian population.
Arey Altu Baba, whatever. I don't look at it that way at
Yeah,
all.
across borders.
Kuch bhi. Okay, so call in Badishan 408-912-247 call messages आ रहे हैं Facebook पे आ रहे हैं जी. आपको क्या हो गया? आप इतने डरते क्यों हो कॉल करने से?
When did Vishal ji become so? Vishal ji must be in the mandir right now.
Vishal ji called us already. Now, if he's rationing his calls, then Jyoti ji आप तो कॉल कर सकते हो.
हाँ, विशाल जी तो हम कुछ बोल नहीं सकते उनको.
हाँ, ये क्या कभी खुशी कभी गम? नहीं यार, वो तो स्टैंडर्ड स्टेरियोटाइप ड्रामा हो गया वो.
But anyway, आप लोग सोच के यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा. तब तक हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत गल्ला गुड़िया करके आते हैं.
आहा, what a beautiful song. इसको कहते हैं फैमिली गान बदजान.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चले सा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर्स पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई.
हेलो नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है पैम पैम के घर संता गुरुवार में. Who's this? हेलो.
पैम
वाह, विशाल जी कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? आरती
नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
आपने आरती उतार दी?
वेरी गुड. आरती क्या? गणपति आरती.
गणपति की आरती उतार ली?
कौन आरती?
पूजा किया आपने?
कौन पूजा?
पूजा नहीं किया. और कौन पूजा भी है? एनीवे, ज्योति को रख रहा सही है. ओके.
हाँ,
ज्योति को जला के रखना.
ज्योति को रख के आरती करेंगे.
ज्योति को रख के ज्योति को ऐसे ही जला के रखना.
ज्योति को जला के आरती करेंगे. क्या बोल रहे हो?
मैंने क्या बताया? ओह माय गुडनेस. जब तक आज श्रद्धा के साथ करेंगे तो क्या सब ठीक है.
कह रही है ज्योति क्या बोल रही है कि ज्योति जलती है तभी तो आरती होती है.
अरे वाह, ये होता है श्रद्धा.
ये होती है श्रद्धा.
What was same difference? शक्ति कपूर का मालूम है.
ज्योति है श्रद्धा.
हाँ नहीं श्रद्धा.
अभी श्रद्धा कहाँ से आ गई? अभी शक्ति कपूर भी आ जाएगी.
दोनों नाम पकड़ के मैं उल्टा टंगा के मारूंगी. क्या भटकते हो काम से?
पहले पकड़ो, बाद में उल्टा टंगाओ.
कभी ज्योति, कभी श्रद्धा, कभी
हाँ.
आरती.
हमेशा लड़कियों का नाम लेते हो. छी 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 छी.
हाँ,
शर्म करो.
और
ऑन एयर हो
बीच में
तुम.
श्रद्धा को बुला लिया ज्योति के साथ. तो
हाँ, आल्टो बाबा
एक हैंडल नहीं हो रही है
अरोड़ा साहब
या एक हैंडल नहीं हो रही है चीफ
आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, ये लड़की लोगों का नाम आग से क्यों रिलेटेड है ऑलवेज? लड़की लोगों का नाम आग से क्यों रिलेटेड है?
क्यों आग से क्या?
दीपा,
हाँ
ज्योति,
हाँ
yeah?
अदिति हाँ
हाँ?
और नहीं मीनाक्षी आग से नहीं है।
मीनाक्षी आग से नहीं है ना?
हाँ।
मीनाक्षी बहुत प्यारी है,
हाँ
स्वीट स्वीट मीनाक्षी जी।
oh God
लेकिन बताओ ये हेलो पॉइंट पे आ जाओ विशाल जी, जब देखो कॉल करते हो आप डैगर्स करते हो और बदनाम मैं होता हूँ।
हाँ
भटकते तो मैं ही हूँ, भटकती आत्मा।
भटकती आत्मा नहीं, भटकाते आप हो, भटकाते हुए आत्मा। हाँ, तो बताओ ना, ये ब्रूनो बोल रहा देखो वहाँ पे।
हाँ वो पैम पैम कह रहा है।
ब्रूनो भी बता रहा है।
पैम पैम ब्रूनो।
हाँ
पैम पैम।
हाँ गुड वन। लेकिन कम ऑन टेल अस व्हिच मूवी यू टॉकिंग अबाउट?
हाँ मूवी एक्चुअली भटक आई फाइनली फाउंड गॉट इट कपूर एंड सन्स।
हाँ ये
देखा फिर से, देखो मंदिर का छोड़ो यार।
हाँ क्या
कपूर की बात कर रहे हैं?
कर्पूर नहीं, कपूर एंड सन्स।
अच्छा कपूर, हाँ मैं तो आई थॉट यू टॉकिंग कर्पूर जो
ये विशाल जी का ना ऐसे चल रहा था।
होती है, हम भी कपूर ही बोलते हैं।
एग्जैक्टली कपूर जलाने वाला।
जला डालो।
हाँ ये ऐसा हुआ ना कि टेल मी अबाउट द अल्फाबेट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ ABCD, पूरा अल्फाबेट जगह फिर ओह दैट इज Z ऐसे बोला। इतने सारे आंसर लिखे टेक्स्ट में।
शुद्ध रोमांस कहाँ से फैमिली शो है? हाँ फैमिली बनाने वाली शो है ऑफ कोर्स।
पता नहीं, मैंने कहा शायद फालतू रानी को वो मूवी बहुत पसंद है
यार। वो
नहीं मुझे पसंद है बिकॉज उसमें
that was a तीर in अंधेरा।
Only good thing about the movie was one song called शाम का गुलाबी शहर गुलाबी।
नहीं शुद्ध देसी रोमांस also is nice, the title track।
खद्दड़ की
नहीं उसमें
all the songs are nice।
नहीं वाणी गुप्ता, वाणी गौतम, वाणी कपूर, हाँ भी कपूर,
हाँ
कर्पूर, वाणी कपूर।
Hey, now don't, that is not a family movie। ये हमेशा भटकता है यार।
मैं भटकता नहीं हूँ, तो भटकाती बहुत है। हाँ तो बताइए सर, आप
कनेक्शन था ना? हाँ कनेक्शन था ना उसमें, देखो कपूर का।
एग्जैक्टली सर,
I was not totally wrong, right?
You were not, no सर, आप कैसे रॉन्ग हो सकते हो?
अच्छा
हाँ आप तो विशाल हो।
आप आ जाओ विशाल जी, मैं समझाती हूँ आपको। हाँ। या व्हाट्सएप करती हूँ।
ये आपने सूरज भर जाता सुना? ये फालतू समझातिया है, तुम्हें सबको समझा रही है। तो एक काम करो सर, आप फालतू नहीं आंसर राइट?
हाँ
हाँ ये तो आंसर राइट है ना?
कौन सा वाला? क्या आंसर?
कपूर, वाणी कपूर एंड सन्स।
वाणी कपूर एंड सन्स नहीं है, कपूर एंड सन्स। कपूर एंड सन्स करेक्ट।
यस दैट्स अ फैमिली शो, एक फैमिली मूवी।
मूवी कौन सी थी आयुष्मान खुराना की, वो जो कॉल करता है?
ओह दैट इज
गर्लफ्रेंड।
नो ड्रीम गर्ल।
ड्रीम गर्ल वो भी तो फैमिली थी ना?
नहीं वो फैमिली बनाने वाली थी।
उसमें मम्मी पापा नहीं थे उसके?
In that na the focus is on him being the con man.
Hey, con girl.
Whatever. But the movie actually आयुष्मान खुराना के काफी सारे मूवीज फैमिली मूवीज हैं।
फैमिली ओरिएंटेड नहीं है, फैमिली मूवीज है।
इवन दम लगा के हैशा इज अ फैमिली मूवी।
वेरी ट्रू, लेकिन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट। सी
कौन सी?
दम लगा के हैशा। लेकिन
किसी ने बात नहीं की इसके बारे में। Why you know why we will not talk about it?
Why?
Because it had what's her name, Bhumi Pednekar in it.
So
people don't think of her as a heroine.
That way, if you look at it, even Padman's a family movie.
Of course, yes. Toilet एक प्रेम कथा is a family movie.
Toilet एक प्रेम कथा।
टॉयलेट भी है फैमिली मूवी थी। अब भूमि की सारी मूवीज
नहीं सारी नहीं। That
I mean, she's kind of typecast in those kind of movies only.
Not fair at all. No, not all the movies that way.
Hey, पति पत्नी और वो family movie है।
Excuse me, in that particular movie of the two, पति पत्नी और वो is not a family movie.
It is.
No,
it is.
It is. नहीं थी उसमें, मम्मी पापा कहाँ थे उसके?
क्या पति पत्नी से फैमिली नहीं बनती है क्या? तुम लोग भी ना?
हाँ पति वो
में भी तो होनी चाहिए।
नहीं पति पत्नी और वो भी फैमिली होती है ना? नहीं सर, पति पत्नी और वो भी फैमिली वाला होता है ना?
वो फैमिली होती है।
Why not?
वो फैमिली होती है।
वो फैमिली है, वो फैमिली होती है ऑफ कोर्स। किसी और की
लोगों को मत भटका, लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम खड़ा कर देगा तू। हाँ?
अभी आज से नई एनलाइटमेंट हुई, हमारी तो फैमिली कंप्लीट ही नहीं हुई।
एग्जैक्टली सो ट्रू। देखो वहाँ पे पंजाबन आ गई, वहाँ पे जग गई पंजाबन, सरदारनी जग गई। ओए चलो गए। तो विशाल जी, तो आप
संभाल के रखिएगा।
नहीं समझ गया, आपको बुढ़ों को बाजू रखिएगा ऑफ कोर्स, ओके। शेरनी जग गई वहाँ पे। तो वेरी गुड विशाल जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट। आपके लिए वो गाना लगाएंगे फॉर श्योर, ओके।
हाँ, which one?
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल करके चल।
नहीं यार, वो बुद्धू सा मन वो नहीं लगा बहुत दिनों से, वो भी लगाओ।
बुद्धू समर लगाने को बोल रही है, बुद्धू समर लगाएंगे हम लोग।
एक क्यूट सा गाना है from that same movie.
अरे वो भी तो नहीं
क्या?
You are breaking up. Could you repeat again? Okay, sorry sir, you are breaking up. आपका सिग्नल कट रही है।
Okay, we couldn't hear you very clearly, but
I think he said something Arabic.
yeah, what did he say? हाँ, मीनाक्षी शर्मा ने अभी तक कॉल नहीं किया, तो हम बता दें जो भी फेसबुक पे लिख रहे हैं, मीनाक्षी तुमने कॉल किया क्वेश्चन आ रहा है फेसबुक पे।
But thank you so much विशाल जी for calling us। सुनते रहेगा, आपके लिए वो गाना फिर लगाएंगे हम लोग।
बिल्कुल, thank you so much।
Yeah, and of course Banjan, I think we come to a close of a show already, फालतूनी। So हम लोग सब लोग को बधाई देते हैं कि आज के शो सक्सेसफुल बना क्योंकि आपकी पार्टिसिपेशन की वजह से।
Correct।
And please, we're going to sign off with this beautiful song which talks about how foolish our man is.
It's a beautiful song which brings the whole family together, Manjan, and this is a song that is in the movie Kapoor and Sons. Is it Vishal Shekhar music direction?
Oh wow, Faltani, I don't know.
Or Preetham? I'm not sure.
Well, Faltani, absolutely no idea. This actually is Amal Malik's music.
Correct, I forgot.
Arman Malik की वॉइस है Banjan, तो obviously उसके भाई उसको कास्ट करेगा।
अल्लाह मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह, कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है, कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है।
इसी के साथ बंजर बोलने वाले आप लोगों को कि हैप्पी फैमिली डे फॉर यू गाइस, नो घर संसार डे टू यू। कल गणपति के अवसर पर मिलेंगे आप लोग बंजर, सभी लोग वाची सेलिब्रेट करते रहता हूँ। हैप्पी गणपति टू यू गाइस, गणपति पप्पा मोरिया। एंड इसी के साथ गुड नाइट,
शबा खैर
एंड प्यार भरा
बदमाशियाँ चलने दे नजरों की मनमानियाँ, ढूंढे चलो कुछ ठिकाने नए, होने दे पगली पगली सी नादानियाँ, होश में रहना है क्यों रहने से होगा क्या, बेहोशियों में है मजा, बचकानी हरकतें जो होती है होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह, कुछ है जुनून।
Hi, this is Siddharth Malhotra and you're listening to me on Radio The Hotties, where it only gets hotter and hotter. Hi, this is
Hi, this is Alia Bhatt and you're listening to me on Radio The Hotties, where entertainment just got hotter.
मजा आ रहा है ना? Great music with the Jan for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You